कसं जे एक्सपांज केले ते बरें ते सायंटिफीक टर्म आहले तेच उलयलो रिप्लायन जे पडा because I rise to speak on the cut motion and oppose the demands. I'll start at the start with a topic that is hotly debated, the Town and Country Planning Department. And start with specific observations with the budget utilizations of the TCP department. It's because the department's total budget definitely has increased from 2369 lakhs, 24-25 on Ashille, to 3886 lakhs proposed for 26-27. And Sarkar is announcing of bigger allocations, but the ground reality, if you look within the TCP department, shows very poor utilization. I would be happy if I am wrong and corrected. It's because the capital project is almost zero work in the current financial year. It's because of 50 lakhs was allocated for TCP buildings, 150 lakhs for land acquisition and urban infrastructure, 150 lakhs for development works of planning authorities. But till January, Speaker Sir, till now, not a single rupee has been spent. This means 3.5 crores of capital budget remained idle. Speaker Sir, the government allocated 450 lakhs for planning and development authorities. But in 24-25, yeah, or 27 lakh was used. In 25-26, this year, no expenditure was recorded till January. So these authorities, Speaker Sir, are planning today for Panjim, for Mapsa, for Margao, for Vasco. The government allocated, Speaker Sir, 50 lakhs for the Goa Conservative Committee. And so role ha ki amche dais, amche heritage structure, amche culture, amche conservation zone protect kurpa. But for 2 consecutive years, Speaker Sir, not a single rupee has been spent from the 50 lakhs. Speaker Sir, Anna, what appears surprising and seems to be a disturbing pattern within the budget are burning issues of land use and change of use. The Chief Minister and the government might be indifferent to the people's protests, but Speaker Sir, there were only 5 lines mentioned in the budget speech with regards to TCP. Very small allocation when it comes to 39 crores for the entire TCP department. So the focus today is on process, doesn't seem to be on planning. That is the main role of the Town and Country Planning Department. Aaj je budgetary provision kela, this talks about digitizing approvals. This talks about town planning requires master plans, infrastructure planning, mobility planning, environmental zoning. हे जे कांयच उल्लेख बजेटान केल्ले ना. आता ODPचे पासून no mention of the regional plan or the ODP as well. Speaker Sir, बजेटान जरी तर चयल्यार tourism आणि construction priority. म्हणजे the speech emphasizes on tourism and construction sectors. हे जरी तर चयल्यार Speaker Sir, particularly in coastal and tourism areas. Speaker Sir, there is a silence on the carrying capacity. Now, right from day one, when we were MLAs, right from day one, I was talking about this carrying capacity of every village, of every town, of every constituency needs to be mapped. Speaker Sir, culture दिसाक मुखेलमंत्री जेन्ना आमी डिमांड्साच्या वेळार जेन्ना बजेटाच्या स्पीचा वेळार सांगले, he says he is tied up with Terry. आणि ऑक्टोबर म्हयन्यान MOU जो सायन केल्लो तो टेबल कोत म्हणटालो. अजून आज टेबल केलना. कालच्या दिसाक सांगलो तेणे टेबल कोत्तो म्हणून. स्पीकर सर, कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी गोंयची डिफायन जावपाक जाय. कित्याक ज्या पद्दतीन आज रस्त्याचो इश्यू आसा, उदकाचो इश्यू आसा, लायटीचो इश्यू आसा, जे उदक सादारण 2 वर पासून गोंयकारांक पावना. म्हाका दिसता very necessary that this carrying capacity needs to be defined rather than a Wayanad-like situation. Last year budget sessionak आमी वायनाडाचे एक डिबेट केले की आणि माधव गाडगिलजीन आमकां सगळ्यांक एक म्हाका दिसता एक रिपोर्ट आसा and he warned that this carrying capacity with our fragile environment needs to be defined. It's because I do not understand why the government does not, this had to be done right at the start. आज because if we look inside the assembly, I do not know whether the honorable minister will invoke the Suraksha Kavach of sub judice matter. No doubt that this matter is sub judice. But Speaker sir, if you look at the, I would possibly call the reckless driving. When I say reckless driving, this ministry follows no speed breakers, no traffic signals, no rules of the road, and no carrying capacity. The final destination seems to be land sale. Now, Speaker sir, regional planaचे जायते जायंगा उलयले. And regional plan is a map that was meant to be a promise. And this is a story that lies shattered. And Speaker sir, basically what is happening in the state of Goa? Once upon a time, not very long ago, Goa decided to do something sensible. And it said, and I quote, "Let us draw one honest map of ourselves," unquote. And this map should not be decorative. It's because ya mapa purmane, it would decide how the homes in Goa would grow, how the farms would survive, how our forests would breathe, where the sea must be left alone. And this map was called regional plan. And if the regional plan, Speaker sir, was supposed to be a plan that was a 20 to 25-year-old vision for land use. And a collective agreement, this was supposed to be a collective agreement between the government, between amche Paryavaran, amcho lok, and the economy. A document, Speaker sir, the regional plan was something that said that this land feeds us, this land protects us, and this land should be built carefully. In theory, Speaker sir, regional plan is sacred. And if Jenna notifies Allah, it should be changed rarely, carefully, and only for public interest. Speaker sir, but then came the correction clause. Somewhere along the way, power grew impatient with patience. As I say, in the Town and Country Planning Department, it started with 16B, a small clause, 17.2 and 39A. Because of when it was introduced, it sounded harmless. It said, and I quote, "If there is an inadvertent error or any inconsistency in the regional plan, the government may correct it," unquote. Speaker sir, lokank disle what could oppose correcting an error? Speaker sir, after all, amizori torchelyar, maps can be wrong, survey lines can shift, and clerical mistakes can happen. But Speaker sir, je a section 17.2 ashille or 16B at the start, this was when the pencil became a bulldozer. What was supposed to fix mistakes became a tool to rewrite the map plot by plot. Speaker sir, instead Jenna of rewriting the entire plan, there were individual applications that were entertained from landowners asking to change the specific plot. म्हणजे एक field, एक शेत, एक orchard area, a slope overlooking a river or a village edge next to a forest. And every application, right, if you see 2017 onwards, it said this zoning is an error. One signature, quietly land changed. आता पयलेचे जे TCP आता नाव घेवपा न्हू, but जे आदले before your predecessor, he changed lakhs, you said last time, almost close to a crore of square meters of land. Speaker sir, from green to yellow, from orchard to settlement, from agriculture to construction. And here Jenna Kotna, Speaker sir, J original issue ashilo that had to be a village discussion. There had to be some sort of an impact assessment. There was no impact assessment when it came to water, when it came to roads, when it came to parking, when it came to floods, livelihoods of Goans. Speaker sir, so the regional plan that was meant to be a collective vision began to look like patchwork, quilt stitched by private interest. Speaker sir, now when I say the quite magic of this inadvertent error, now here's the beauty of this clause. It never defines, Speaker sir, what is an error. It never decides who decides whether it is inadvertent, how many corrections are too many. Speaker sir, so error becomes elastic. So if land was valuable, it was an error. If development was planned, the map was mistaken. Speaker sir, hundreds, if you see this saga within the TCP, hundreds of such corrections were approved. Large continuous tracks quietly shifted land use. Anik, the regional plan was altered without even being officially revised. And that's because sir, one day when the court looked at the map and the court said one simple question, and I quote, if every plot can be changed individually, what is the point of a regional plan at all? Unquote. When the matter reached the High Court, the judges essentially said that a regional plan is not a suggestion. A regional plan is a draft that never ends. It cannot be dismantled one plot at a time. Speaker sir, the court observed that 17.2 had become open-ended. It bypassed public participation. It undermined the very idea of planned development. Speaker sir, so the court read down this clause, and I quote what they said. You may correct genuine mistakes, but you cannot use this clause to replan Goa to the back door. Unquote. So Speaker sir, what was lost along the way was fields were filled, hillsides were already cut, settlement zones already sprawled. Speaker sir, इथून लोकांमध्ये भय झालो, public trust was damaged, and people stopped believing in the map, because a map that changes quietly at night is not a plan. Speaker sir, so the regional plan that was meant to ask how should Goa grow, and clause 17.2 answered instead that who asked for this land to change. Speaker, that is why this issue today is not technical. It is philosophical, ethical, and democratic. The regional plan that was meant to be Goa's collective future, 17.2 turned it into a private correction, until the court reminded us that the planning cannot be done plot by plot. Now, Speaker sir, more than the demand for funds, I believe the issues are different. The Honorable Minister, I would like to bring it to his notice. One of the main contradiction that is debated. One of the main contradiction is and this is the central contradiction, whether Goa needs such a plan, whether there is no housing need, there seems to be massive construction. This is the most devastating contradiction. Because in plain terms, Goa has more houses than people and still does. म्हणजे 2017 सरकारान 66 lakh square meters म्हणून जो मंत्री पयलींचो आसलो, he is denying. He converted that into settlement. Now, whatever it is, when applications were taken in, whether it is done, the whole process is done, several people, it started with a loophole. Speaker, so if we look at this is not demand-driven development. This is speculation-driven. This is investor-driven. Speaker, and seems to be like a lot of people across the country, metro cities of India come to Goa. So, Speaker, in simple terms, housing is turning unaffordable to Goans. But if you look at the legal shell game, 16B, 17.2, 39A, each time court blocks one door, the government opens another. Now, because if you look at 2017, 16B was bought. The purpose was spot convergence. It was the outcome was challenged in the court. 2019, when we were in the House, the purpose got 2019 there was an interim stay. The government blocked. 2023, Section 17(2) was, the purpose was error correction. It got stayed in 2025. In 2024, 39A, the purpose was conversion. Today, the outcome is under a PIL. So if we look, Speaker Sir, whether this is governance or whether this is trial and error lawmaking to defeat judicial oversight. Speaker Sir, whether this is a cat and mouse games between citizens and the government. Now, a few things that I'd like to point out to the Honorable Minister and this House, Speaker Sir, is, for example, a property in Old Goa, 1.6 lakh square meters of hilltop land, adjacent to a protected buffer zone, 100 meters, close to the Karambolim Lake wetland influence zone. There seems to be a railway tunnel moving underneath, restricted zone slopes. Despite all this, despite landslide risk, there is tunnel cracking that happened in 2021. Water flow disruption, the TCP approves this particular convergence. Because so, environmental safeguards, whether they are procedural, these objections were raised by 500 residents, but it's still whether these residents protest today, Jayapad Goenka Gata, whether they are functionally irrelevant. It's because if we look at, I'm picking few cases, Chopde and Mandre. Now, the existing settlement today is 2.8 lakhs, but the proposed new settlement is 3.5 lakhs in 2 years. This means new construction. And the historical village footprint, what happens to that? If we look at Mandre, 3,15,000. Now, yesterday there was some figure saying that totally 12 lakhs or something is been converted. You possibly give the figure. It's because if you look at the forest or the hills, there seems to be villages in Goa are hydrologically designed. I'd give you an example of what is happening in my constituency. Hills, fields, the settlement, they work together. But if we don't, if we destroy these logics because of flooding, landslide, water scarcity, this seems to be anti-planning. So what we see is spot zoning through different routes. What 16B, 17(2), 39A represent the resurrection of spot zoning under new names, different section, same intent. It's because if you look at an example, a property in Anjuna that was bought in December 2022 for 74 lakhs was converted in March 2023 and was sold in June 2023 at 6.8 crores. So what was bought at 74 lakhs was sold for 6.8 crores, 800% returns in 4 months. Now the TCP ministry is one of the most talked about ministry. I believe the Honorable Minister will agree that the TCP ministry controls not only the department but controls the government. This has been the power of that ministry. It's because as long as you are the TCP minister, you control the government. It's because, so if we look whether laws are changed because of this, whether transparency is resisted, the Honorable, it's for the House to decide. So if I summarize it, because Goa today has no shortage in housing, it has a zoning surplus. Lakhs of vacant homes are already there in our state. Certain sections, 16B, 17(2), 39A, turned land use planning into a cat and mouse game. Speaker Sir, my opposition to these demands is because if these decisions today are routinely challenged in the court, repeatedly struck down and questioned by judiciary, if it is opaque to this House, we as citizens across the states, because sir, it is the duty of the Honorable Minister to enlighten us. Now, over the last few years, if you see PILs have been challenged, ODPs have been challenged, ad hoc zone changes have been challenged, court judicial intervention to the statutory provisions misused. So if we look at this, because म्हाका दिसता की in legal fees I had put a question, 8 crores 70 lakhs in legal fees in the last 6 odd years for the TCP to defend its own decision. आज लोकांमध्ये भय आसा आनीक these decisions irreversible. The Honorable Minister, when there was a protest, changed the zoning within a particular, kept it on hold in a constituency in Sandandre. So, Speaker Sir, the people are fearing that there are paddy fields, natural cover, eco-sensitive zones has resulted, have been approved, and this has resulted in loss of green cover, fragmentation of agricultural land. Speaker Sir, whether this House should decide whether this is development or what. Other Speaker Sir, if I try to summarize what is happening in the TCP department, a TCP department has to be a planner. It should not be a litigant. It should be a regulator, not a facilitator, and it should be a protector of Goa's land. But Speaker Sir, if we look, currently I believe it is best for the minister to answer of what he's aware of the situation in the house, outside the house. But specifically, Speaker Sir, ek Majja Matdar Sanghan, I would like to recall and possibly show the Honorable Minister a hill cutting that is happening in Kankanamuddi, Panjurkoni. Now, he is well aware of it, and I had written a letter to him as well, and this I'd possibly hand over this letter to him again. It was written to the CTP. Speaker Sir, now this hill, the Honorable Minister had made sure that first when I raised it, amgelo rakandarachi vaat kunkodin. Ani ti vaat anta ya builder lobin and it has been destroyed. You are aware why you've given the permission again when the technical clearance was revoked. The people are agitated. Speaker Sir, we as lawmakers, when the minister is on record and said that this particular is a hill, you look at the pictures, because of the slope, it is a rocky area, it is an aquifer right in front of the main road. It is looking like it has been murdered. The way I tried to, I have written it, I've spoken to your CTP, and the file is pending with you. I request you that this has a lot of sentimental value to the villagers. This land belongs to Kunkolkar's Rakondar. Tinga puja jata, tinga ront katay sagle jata. Aaj zoritor ye mukar ya paddhatin ek villagin. It is a laughing joke for me. And when I asked the CTP, she said that the file is pending with you. You have to immediately reject it. This is not in the interest of my constituency or the people. Speaker Sir, magadista ejer tuye maka tabortob uttar dipak. This is not. You might have pressure. Secondly, KK builder mu. Anta KK builder mu jenna Chandorche gawan एक project येतालो. एक साइडी आमची हेरिटेज विलेज म्हणून डिक्लेअर जाता. दुसरे साइडी मेगा प्रोजेक्ट येता. हेजेर मान्य मंत्री हेजेरूय तुवें जेन्ना कॅन्सल केलें, what is happening? Technical clearance withdraw केलें. I've seen under the principle of natural justice, this seems to be the department's way of functioning. Under natural justice, they give them time, they get a stay. Now, this KK builder today is building a massive project day in my village where there is no proper water. You all are calling it a heritage village, and people are on the streets. Although they won it in the court, last session I told the Honorable Minister that you have to challenge it in the Supreme Court. Because this is a heritage village, declare this particular area. Because Magadista Ejer Manya Mantrin Amka Tabortop Assurance Dupak Zai, ye Duni project, Je Amcha Maddar Sagan Zata. Dusre Speaker Sir, Ek Ao Mantricha Dodamokar Arpak Sotta, survey number 53/0, 54 and 55. Today in Maina Kepe, 7,60,000 under the firm of Philomena Realty is doing massive hill cutting and tree cutting. 7,61,000. Maina Kepe. आणि कंपनी नाव कितें स्पीकर सर, फिलोमेना रियल्टी. आणि हेच डायरेक्टर कोण हो? अमरजीत
Honorable-
सिंग आणि रवी सिंग.
Rule 16, I would like to move a motion to extend duration of sitting of the House by 1 hour.
The question is the duration of the sitting of the House be extended by 1 hour. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. And the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The duration of the sitting of the House is extended by 1 hour.
Speaker sir, this particular hill cutting, massive, and tree cutting to the extent of 7,61,000 square meters is happening since the last 3-4 days. And massive, Sarge, absolutely massive. Because if we look, we also debated about the Margaon Kabrastan issue would be resolved. I think the Honorable Margaon MLA is there. And he also, because a lot of it is pending now for so long, and we have expectations because of that this issue also should be resolved. आज ज्या पद्धतीन गोंयांत हिल कटिंग जाता, ज्या पद्धतीन आज गोंयांत more than 1,000 sections, the people are scared. It's because there is a movement of enough is enough, headed by a retired Chief Justice, Ferdinand Babri Bello. And we have also moved a bill. Whether that bill is going to come, whether it is going to be vetted in the law department, whether it is going to come from the TCP department or the agriculture department, the main reasons because people fear. And they fear and their demand is that we want the repeal of the section 17(2) and 39A. We have moved the bill. What steps is the government taking on the same? Speaker sir, Jenna Makadista Mantrin, आज he's a senior member, his family has some name, not some name, they have some value in the state of Goa. So he should come clear on the way people are protesting, and I believe that we need to protect our environment. आता स्पीकर सर, जे हांवें सांगलां ते कांगडा मोडी आनी चांद्रा आमगे तितून मातशें तूं दिनाका, you know the person, Narendra or someone, I'll take the name. Speaker sir, हे म्हाका दिसता बंद जावपाक जाय. हे जे म्हाका दिसता I will not take, you know even about the fish mill, and you gave me last time. Now don't look on the right side and don't look behind, because I know that what is happening, and we will, I'm telling you, the Honorable Speaker, that this will never see the day of light. Never. It will never happen. It is a private land. There is, the municipalities have revoked. There are no proper approach roads. It belongs to, it is being shown, manipulated. You agreed, but you put that thing on hold. I don't know why. You've kept it on in abeyance. Whether it is kept in abeyance like Santandre, I don't know. When it will be reactivated. So that म्हाका दिसता एक तुवें आमकां जेन्ना assurance दिला, you have to act. In the House when you are telling us now, or you will give us assurances, हे 3-4 रोज तुवें सांगला, तेजेर मातशें तूं act जावं. Because speaking on the public health services, the public health sector in the state there seem to be two contradictions. The healthcare facilities and have to be upgraded in GMC seems to be the focus, on super specialties doctors, on other provisions within the tertiary healthcare. But there is a failure because at the district and the sub-district hospitals, they are basically forced to go to the tertiary care. There is a mismatch between technology claims and the treatment capacity, and the load on Goa Medical College is just increasing. Because why this discussion is necessary? This is because health is not only about announcements, it's about devices, about physical infrastructure, conferences. It's because health is about whether a patient gets timely treatment near home. And when I speak about that, it's because today, aaj Goyan Zarito Chayliar, diseases are rising, referrals are rising, district hospitals are unable to absorb this land. GMC today, Speaker sir, is overcrowded not by choice but by compulsion. Speaker sir, if you look at the rising disease burden, between 22 and 24, if we talk about cancer in the state of Goa, Goa recorded 5,218 cancer patients. That is 145 cases every month, 4 cases every day. If we look at diabetes, because 44,811 diagnostic type 2 diabetes from December 24 to 25 under DHS alone. Forget about the private sectors. Because what I'm trying to say is that the district and the sub-district hospitals, there seems to be weak link. When I say that, South Goa, district hospital, hospicio, the functional reality, if you look at it, because there seems to be still no neurology, still no cardiology comes only once a week, no proper oncology, no nephrology. It's because diagnostic tools today, this is the, I think just couple of days back, it was 4 years. No CT scan, no MRI, no angiography, no bone marrow or any type of liver biopsy. Aaj, the critical care because is limited due to the ICU lacks specialists. When we say that, there seems to be also shortage for ventilators during emergency. Aaj, because blood services, there seems to be no proper component of blood therapy. The conclusion because from this is that hospicio is not a secondary hospital. It looks like it is a referral point. And the people of South Goa basically will agree to what I'm saying. It's because there seems to be a technology push. But district hospitals, the treatment gap remains to widen. Aaj technology zori to raha, no specialist does not reduce the referrals, it is only increasing them. The cardiology unit, Dr. Pramod Sawant, the Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, wore a hat in the last 2-3 days. But one cardiologist visits the South Goa District Hospital once a week. It's because he comes on Thursday. So I would like to ask the Honorable Minister, do people have to wait for, do heart attacks happen only on Thursday to the people of South Goa? Thursday, heart dukot tengele. Karis Thursday चे दक्षिण गोंयच्या लोकांक दुखोता. Thursdayचो तुम जेन्ना दोतोरा धाडटिंगा आनी हे 3 वर्सां जालीं आज the strokes do not follow any OPD schedules. He knows. I did give him credit for the model that he's done in the health sector. But it's because a once a week cardiologist only satisfies files, it does not save any lives. When I say it does not save any lives, because this explains why all the cardiac cases are referred. Now, if you look at the referrals, because to GMC, it is growing. So 2021 आज जे 9,500 आशिल्ले, 2022 आन 10,600 जाले, 2023 आन 12,300 जाले, 2024 आन 14,900 जाले. These are the referrals. So hospital-wise, if we look, North Goa District Hospital 7,326 referrals, South Goa District Hospital 4,700 referrals. Ponda referrals have quadrupled. Anta tinga Ponda election ha. Ami aikila halpor code yupa shektumu. Ata aju tu aswasan di Ponda karama mukar aswasan di upa medpana. Ambi calling attention galpa hai. Te to ting bahota ha. Tinga ha this magaj this di Ponda so. Speaker sir, amke dista ki aaj this hospital facilities, this healthcare facilities, let me come to what is happening in Goa Medical College. Now, advanced diagnostic handling of the ICU load, handling of oncology, neurology and cardiology. This because any research and training. This is because GMC today is overcrowding. There are people from neighboring states also coming. Whether Goans should be given preference, whether they can be given preference, because this needs to be looked very, very specifically. Today, Goa Medical College absorbs the failure of these district hospitals. And blaming GMC today, because without fixing this district misdiagnosis is the crux of the matter. And because Goa's public health sector, आमचे आदले मुखेलमंत्री जावं प्रताप सिंग राणे आमी सगळ्यांचे पड PHC, CHC, UHC हे सगळे जे project बांधलेले. Today, if you look, PHCs in the state of Goa are becoming only for screening. They only screen. The district hospitals is only to refer. And the GMC tries to treat everything. So there is no strong middle layer at all. There is no middle layer. There is not a resilient health system. Last time when we spoke, 1 year before, the Honorable Minister said that he would get a doctor from Bombay and a committee would be formed. We would be taken into confidence. There seems to be, we are kept in the dark. I don't know, Speaker sir. This is a centralized emergency system by default. Speaker sir, only if we announce conferences and all this, this is not going to resolve, not going to fix the problems. Speaker sir, let me place the status of the staffing. The staffing seems to be one of the major problems in the Goa health sector. If you look, Aldona, Balli, Kandolim, Kurtorim, major vacant positions. Speaker sir, Goa Dental College, also there are 64 vacant positions. IPHB, vacancies for director, professor of clinical psychology, associate professors in psychiatry. Speaker sir, psychiatry, nursing, several technical staff missing. Nursing staff within the health sector, hundreds of posts, attendants, so many people are there. So, Speaker sir, in this IPHB as well, today, aaj ek shortage asa of the psychiatric specialists, nurses. This undermines the very principle of health services. And you all are straining or putting the, I salute them because under the stress and strain today they are performing. But this department is under sanctions because the same is in the faculty and specialist shortage, multiple sanction posts in cardiology, radiation, pediatric surgery, urology in GMC. Associate professors also dozens of vacancies. Emergency medicine, pediatric surgery, oncology, radiation, general medicine. So there are so many vacancies, Professor. Aaj assistant professor jenna service shortage, tejer jenna ulaita, 15 sanctioned in emergency medicines. None have been filed in emergency medicine. Because also this shortage, if we look at the lecturers, tutors, demonstrators, aaj ejer, we large gap in almost all the departments, all orthopedic, pathology, community medicine, surgery, general medicine, also there is gap. Nursing and clinical staff, Speaker sir, there are almost more than 200 posts vacant. So yes, sagle jari to riye shortage chole, Speaker sir. Matron, ward sisters, medical officers, technicians, radiography, anesthesia, yama khabar na. Because a lot of staff is from the constituency of the taluka of the minister. That is his credit. But is he waiting for the staff selection commission norms to change? Why are this post not filled, not vacant? Because as Sogle Zoritor Tsoilyar, there are about more than 800 vacancies, especially in the super specialty areas, nursing and support staff. But nothing, what is this shortage, how are you going to address it? Soon, after this session, maybe after the monsoons, code of conduct lagto. तेजा हुणे तुम्ही प्रॉमिस कोतले काय कितें हेजेर म्हाका दिसता तुम्ही आमकां जबाब दिवपाक जाय. Speaker sir, we see the procurement with regards to certain medicines. This reflects not a shortage of funds, but a weak financial controls. There are some queries that KEG have taken out. These avoidable losses to the public exchequer, whether there is a system that is put as a place, whether it can be used as an emergency. The system of the government is everything is post facto. We cannot do post facto when it comes to health. There is a list, there are some procedures. It's because I hope that GMC is using this local, is not using these local purchases as a parallel procurement system. One particular part in the health sector, Speaker sir, is anemia. This is catching up with Goa. The figures that we see, a large number of women and children, Speaker sir, especially in rural areas. The prevalence among 15 to 49 years of age, AG percentage from 31.3 is jumped to 39%. So Speaker sir, this is a serious health issue that the state of Goa is moving forward, especially in the south, Munje, Kankon, Sange and Darbandara. These are places where I believe that the government should take up this on priority basis. Speaker sir, speaking on mental health, Because I would like to make a mention of the problems of stress. Today, depression is on the rise. I think there are challenges for the youth, for people to publicly discuss mental health challenges. And there is a pressing need that we have to discuss this. जे growing lifestyle pressure असा, ज्या पद्धतीन changing social environment आणि rising expectations, this is creating emotional strain, and awareness and early intervention is essential. It's because of the mental health care framework. When we look at this, the department needs to expand it with trained psychological support services, with related helplines, with improved counseling networks. आज because in Zaina on the ground, this is the new challenge. Because आज जरीथोर, if we look at the 2A primary health center, and when we look at the 2A primary health centers, because a geographic and demographic context, 2A to me, you all inaugurated it, but there is shortages of medical officers, trained staff, lab technicians, deficiency in the diagnostic sector, खास करून labs, diagnostic tools. Patients are routinely advised because of private diagnostics. This because maga dista ejir mantrin, when will it be a fully fledged hospital? When will it be functioning fully? Maga dista you have already taken staff. That also I think was post facto. 97 people were taken 2 days before the operation of the hospital. It's because yes, and the minister is well traveled all around the world. But if we look at the international comparative, Jenna in Thailand, they have invested a lot in their rural primary care. And this reduces the tertiary load. If you look in Brazil, they have a family health strategy. This community health teams are assigned geographically. It's because if you look at the UK GP system, strong primary care gatekeeping prevents the hospital overload. It's because जे budget provision जे पट केलेले आसा 2,217 कोटी रुपया, a large portion of this goes towards revenues, goes towards salaries and not administration. So how are you going to improve your health infrastructure? उकेल मध्ये 7 टाइम आयलो बजेट सुबेज दिवस जमा कुर्ता बिरता मान बहुत दिसता आज जे Directorate of Health Services, this has 963 crores, but because only 60 crores to be precise is for capital expenditure. This means 7% because is being spent on new infrastructure. 60 crores is being invested for infrastructure. How will the government extend hospitals, PHCs, medical health across the state? Because aaj Zoritori we look, 1,063 crores has been allocated to GMC, which means nearly half of the health budget is concentrated today across the tertiary health care. While PHCs, CHCs and UHCs, the base is getting eroded. Basically you all are just moving completely into the tertiary hospitals because the referrals won't stop then. The referrals will increase even more. सरकारान जे 5 कोटी रुपया provision केलेले for vaccination for free adults for 50,000 citizens, that means 1,000 rupees per citizen. It's because of these raises a question whether this is sufficient for a full vaccination program. Aaj mental health 82 crores is allocated, which is very small compared to the overall health budget. It's because जे 4 lakh DDSY चे जे claim केलेले आसा हे limit 100 lakh केला, but no estimate is given of the additional financial burden on the state. It's because of health sector, and I hope that there are these serious steps are being taken by the health minister in course corrections. If you look at the health sector, there are people, you said last time that someone asked you, some reporters, that people call you in the middle of the night. They call everyone. They call all the MLAs in the middle of the night that someone has to undergo a surgery. You get calls that they are kneel by mouth in the morning till afternoon, evening, then they are taken back. the drips are being given or some antibiotics are given on wheelchairs, nothing is changing. People, shortages of ICU beds, all this needs to change. When will it change? Whether it will change in this coming year or whether there is a different plan. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता मंत्रीन आमकां सांगपाक जाय. Urban development जेन्ना उलयतना speaker sir, the government has allocated 573 crores and 220 crores on revenue expenditure, 350 crores on capital expenditure. And focus is on vertical buildings, beautification and landscaping projects instead of solving the core urban issues. And 180 crores has been you've announced for redevelopment of Vasco, culture and several other municipalities. I asked the Chief Minister, Speaker sir, yesterday, opposition एकू हा municipality, कुंकोळे. आणि मुखार ती आता इलेक्शन जाल्यार आमकडे आसतली हे हांव गॅरंटी दिता पूण स्पीकर सर ती त्या ग्रुपांक कित्याक नाय आमचेर कित्याक अन्याय why only ruling municipalities has been considered speaker sir थिंगा जेन्ना आमी साधारण एक फुटसाल ग्राउंड केला आनी ते फुटसाल ग्राउंडा इनॉग्रेशना 3 म्हयने जाले तूं डेट दिना आनी कोण भायल्यान उलयता तुमकां डेट ही पार्टी प्रेसिडेंटा अध्यक्षान दिवपाक जाय स्पीकर सर हे कितें चल्लां वेलनेस सेंटर म्हाका दिसलो मुगेले गांव फातोर्डाचोय आमदार सांगता की थिंगाय तो उक्तो केला मो थिंगा स्पीकर सर 8 म्हयने जाले 9 म्हयने वखदां गेले ती या 28 तारखे ओ एंड ऑफ द मंथ एक्सपायर जावपा आहाय I informed you about that what municipality has purchased with grants. The structure is ready. There is no doctor. DHA says that they require approval. Wellness center built in my constituency, waiting for you to come and inaugurate it. And no date has been given. Same with the futsal ground. I don't know, Speaker sir, or whether we are supposed, Honorable Chief Minister is supposed to give a date for the new PHC. Whether on that day all this should be open. Speaker sir, you need to tell us. This Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता खूब गरजेचें वच खास करून with regards to my municipal area, साधारण 45 crores, the way you rotated it with the 15 Finance Commission, through Swachh Bharat, through PMAY, through slum rehabilitation, through e-governance, is it enough? Is it structured properly? Speaker sir, what we see in the municipalities, and you will also agree, as you said, octroi was given, octroi grants, you used to help these municipalities. But today, Speaker sir, there is a structural problem. These municipalities cannot survive on their own income. They depend heavily on grants, on salaries, on garbage contracts. And zaite municipality 30 to 45% of their total budget today, Speaker sir, is on their own revenue. This house tax trade license system is weak, and that is why they depend on these tied, untied grants. Speaker sir, they are supposed to be self-governing bodies. They have their individual role. So this seems to be a weak enforcement and a weak collection model. When I say this, Speaker sir, staff shortages, political pressure, whether there is poor data of the outdated assessments, whether there is lack of enforcement support, councils are blamed for poor collection. But if we look, Speaker sir, vacancies of manpower, vacancies of legal backing, vacancies of technology exist within the municipalities. Speaker sir, staff shortages je pada ulela, engineer, full-time town planner, health officer, these are overworked clerical staff. And this leads to poor supervision of works, delayed files, weak action against these illegal constructions. Speaker sir, solid waste management within the municipal council, this is still a crisis. Door to door, several municipalities is inconsistent. Just segregation has to happen, source is weak. Processing plants face breakdowns, face opposition. Major of the councils, Speaker sir, use part of their budget alone on garbage alone. So, Speaker sir, solid waste is eating into development funds. So that funds on what was previously octroi, tied, untied grants need to be increased. This leaves with them very little to do any sort of drainages or any development within the municipalities. Because of this, Jenna, we cannot plan for drains, urban flooding, all these roads are caving in. Why? Because we have an old drainage system, because there is no integrated planning, There is poor coordination between PWD, between WRD, between sewage department. So municipalities are blamed. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता there is a lot of illegal constructions also, and the enforcement is weak. म्हणजे जे municipalities today struggle to act against illegal buildings, against violation of licenses, whether this is lack of legal staff, whether this is fear of litigation, shortage of inspectors. I place and I demand from the Honorable Minister while speaking on municipalities that you need to strengthen the municipal finances. Don't only strengthen the ruling municipalities. Speaker sir, hire united grant, untied grants, fill the post vacantly, support the tax collection. Speaker sir, municipalities today are expected to manage this growing population. They are supposed to handle the climate stress, deliver modern services, but they are given limited powers, weak finances, and inadequate staff. Speaker sir, speaking on forest, the forest department has been given a budget of 199 crores, but only 5 crores for capital expenditure. If we talk about protecting our forest, we must invest more in conservation, not just salaries. Speaker sir, Jenna Forestache आमी उलयतना, we should be about increasing the greenery and protecting our biodiversity. Speaker sir, आज जेपट गोयान घडटा, but I do not see any major program in this budget that will significantly increase the forest cover in the state. Why I'm saying that, Speaker sir, and I'm saying that with responsibility, is because the government proudly talks about planting 219,000 saplings. Now, how many of these would last? How many would survive? How many would grow into trees? Because I also see that the government wants to promote ecotourism. Ecotourism and jenna ami ulaytna tourism minister ra gelo. Suddenly temperature वाढलो. Policy aha kai ki demu. Speaker sir, we need to ensure that tourism does not disturb the fragile forest ecosystem and our wildlife habitats. Speaker sir, our forests today are facing several problems from development, problems from climate change, and therefore we need to prioritize and protect आमची biodiversity, आमची tree cover ही वाढपाक जाय, आणि we need and preventing deforestation. आज Speaker sir, the government has announced small projects, walkways, entrance plazas, administrative buildings, but I do not see any large-scale conservation or afforestation program in this budget. Speaker sir, if we talk about future of Goa, Speaker sir, we must remember that the forests today of the state of Goa are the biggest natural wealth. There are policies that we need to focus on strengthening our forests, protecting our wildlife, and expanding this green cover within the state. Speaker sir, one very interesting thing that I'd possibly bring to your notice is mangrove conservation. Now, this scheme seems to be only in name, large scale. Just 2 days ago, there was a video that was viral about mangrove destruction in Carmona. Speaker sir, this is one of the most glaring contradictions in this entire budget document. The mangrove and coral reef conservation scheme, Speaker sir, is not implemented in the last several years. You have a central government component and you have a state government component. Speaker sir, compare this with the actual expenditure. Speaker sir, this particular Goa's mangroves today are critical to our ecosystem and the coastline. But if you see, Speaker sir, it continues. Nothing has been implemented about this in the last several years. You need to give us an assurance on this mangrove conservation. Speaker sir, why has this mangrove conservation been functionally abandoned for several years? Also, the Honorable Minister needs to answer. Speaker sir, जेन्ना आमी म्हणटा फॉरेस्ट फायर आनी फॉरेस्ट फायर प्रिव्हेन्शनाक जेन्ना उजो पेट्टा दोंगराक उजो पेट्टा स्पीकर सर त्या वेळार आमी वी हॅड मूव्ड अ कॉलिंग अटेन्शन एंड दिस इज वाय दॅट रिप्लाय तुवें त्या वेळार आन्सर दिलो दोनू नाग आनी नागीन द डॅमेज दॅट वॉज कॉज दोनू सोरोप मेलाय आज तुगे जोरी तर हिंगा चोयल्यार स्पीकर सर फॉरेस्ट फायर प्रिव्हेन्शन स्टेट स्कीम जे बजेट 2026-2027 आसा स्पीकर सर, if you look, actual expenditure was only 0.55 lakhs. This scheme, Speaker sir, is important because it describes our fire watchers, it describes, and we talked about the fire line creation, equipment procurement as core activities. But yet, Speaker sir, the department's share funding for DEHA has been reduced just to a token amount. ये भटान माचे ये increase करपाक जाय. ये ज्या पद्धतीन आज मोले नॅशनल पार्क हिंगा उजो जेन्ना पेटलोलो, the Western Ghats belt, this faces annual fire risk. 2021 जेन्ना पेटलोलो, Speaker sir, I'll take some time.
No, you finish in 2-3 minutes.
Why 2-3 minutes? Speaker sir, now वयता ना जाला.
तुझे खुशी.
Speaker sir,
Are you 55 minutes you're speaking now?
I-
55 minutes.
we spoke that I would get 1.5 hours.
No, no, you cannot get 1.5 hours. How you can get 1.5 hours?
You were not in the BAC.
No, but they told me.
You were not in the BAC.
I am in the
Speaker
speaker chair now, you know, 1.5 hours. He told you. Okay, you speak another 45 minutes. 4-5 minutes cover कर honorable opposition leader.
Speaker sir.
जातले.
Speaker sir.
एक वर लागणार आहे.
Speaker sir,
तुका कोण दिता एक वर?
Goa's Western Ghats, their forests are in a biodiversity hotspot. Intune forest fire prevention is receiving only 0.01 lakhs. Speaker sir, आज जरी जरी सगळें चोयल्यार जे capital expenditure आहा, there seems to be a stagnant and disproportionately small. हांव कित्याक म्हणटा Speaker sir, capital expenditure today has been frozen at 700 lakhs for 3 consecutive years. Same. This seems to be copy and paste. Now, तो ऐक ना. Speaker sir,
cover कर
capital
बाबा.
spending represents only 3.5% of the total forest department budget. Extremely low. Land acquisition for the protected areas, only 0.50 lakhs. Speaker sir, if we look at this, critical vacancies also in the forest department. 853 across all different groups. Speaker sir, more than 200-300 vacancies are pending in the forest department. Aaj, Speaker sir, jenna ami oloitna about the wildlife. When we talk about the wildlife, these are not decorative assets. They are Goa's. The forest is Goa's water security, our climate shield, our tourism backbone, and ecological insurance. Yet today, Speaker sir, if we see, Goa is witnessing repeated deaths of wildlife, protected wildlife. Amche shrinking forest cover, rising animal-human conflict, and a clear gap between expert advice and government action. Yaw kidak munta, Speaker sir, are we protecting Goa's ecology or merely reacting after damage is done? Speaker sir, marine wildlife crisis that is happening in the state of Goa, Schedule 1 species dying. Over the last years, Indian Ocean humpback dolphins, they have died. But this Schedule 1 species are protected under Wildlife Act 1972. Munche Speaker sir, the status to them, almost in 1 month, 18 dolphins were found dead. Speaker sir, they have the highest legal protection. There is zero tolerance for negligence, and there has to be a mandatory investigation and report. What is missing within the department, Speaker sir, is despite these incidents repeating, there is no publicly tabled investigation report, no state-level marine conservation plan, no clear cause identified, whether these dolphins died because of trawling, whether they died because of sonar, whether they died because of bycatch, whether they died because of pollution. No coordination between the fisheries department, ports, or coast guard. Speaker sir, we see instead, फक्त ad hoc postmortem जाता, silence after the headlines fade. Today, Speaker sir, silence jori to Ramravle, this is not conservation. Marine stranding, Speaker sir, today seems to be a pattern. It's not an accident. Why I'm saying that, Speaker sir? Sea turtles, seabirds, other marine species are being found stranded or dead in Agonda, in Velsa, in Kandolim, they've been reported. Speaker sir, so this needs to be looked into very, very seriously. Aaj, amche forest, aaj state cover, as per the report of 2023, Goa has lost about 150 hectares of forest land. This includes open forest, natural regeneration zones, and wildlife movement buffers. For a small state like Goa, this is a great, Magadista is a great loss ecologically. The Honorable Minister should tell us in details what and why this report J 150 ISFR 2023. You should speak on it. Speaker sir, आज जोरी तर आम्ही चोयल्या the tourism versus wildlife. There seems to be no control. When I say that events in tourism activities have been reported even in the turtle nesting beaches, even in coastal biodiversity zones. Speaker sir, these protected species cannot survive when there is unchecked loud noise, when there is night lighting, when there is vehicle movement. Aaj wildlife health and sanctuary management. When we talk about that, the avian flu broke out. When it broke out in the Bondla Wildlife Sanctuary, speakers are leading to the death of several animals. So gap was present within wildlife disease surveillance. There were biosecurity challenges and एक emergency preparedness and ashilness, speaker sir. Speaker sir, आता most important issue, speaking on the tiger reserve and the corridor issue. So experts' view versus the government. The CEC finds that you have challenged the report. The CEC highlighted that Madai Kotigaon Forest Complex, खूप गरजेचे, it is an ecological importance, this particular corridor. And there is presence of apex predators, there is presence of tigers. The need to protect this wildlife corridor, it is our duty, not just an isolated sanctuary. It is the duty of this house. These corridors, speaker sir, reduce जे animal and human conflict jata, it reduces it. It maintains genetic diversity. It stabilizes the forest ecosystem. Because आज जोरी तो चल्या, despite government recommendations, this government has opposed. 15 मिनिटांनी कोणता खबर?
15 मिनिटं.
Because,
तुम्ही, अरे 6 hours is divided between 3 hours ruling, 3 hours opposition.
Because I don't have that limit. Please don't make your own rules, speaker sir.
And how do we continue?
It was not.
Your
not
MLA is
decided.
asking for half an hour, half
That
an
was
hour.
within the opposition members.
No.
I don't have a time. You can ask.
Who is saying you don't have a time?
Speaker
6
sir,
hours.
Let me finish. I'll finish.
Within 3 hours ruling, 3 hours
आज
opposition.
कोणी जे राम मरे आज खुर्चीवर
ना ना
बसला.
कर 2 मिनिटं काबर कर.
Speaker sir, आज जोरी तोर चोयल्यार की despite recommendation, बाब दिगंबर बाब माचे राव रे किती आ रे important tiger राव issue tiger. Speaker sir, आज जोरी तोर चोयल्यार India's national animal that is has 75% and Karnataka has our neighbors have they have 563. Now, speaker sir, Goa has 5 as per reports. And in January 2020, we lost 4 of them. Speaker sir, a mother and 3 cubs were poisoned in the Madai Wildlife Sanctuary. 3 persons were arrested, all released on bail, and the mother's claws were removed. Speaker sir, to this day there has been no conviction. The case is still prolonging.
माननीय एलओपी
NTCA, yes,
आणि कितले वेळ लागतलो तुमकां
15 minutes.
आणि 15 मिनिटं मेळची ना तुमकां 5 मिनिटांनी सोपया मोर दॅन 1 hour उरल्या
I
तुम्ही
order molna 15 minutes.
ना काय ना तुम्ही कर्टेल करा एक मोर दॅन 1 hour उरलेल्या
Speaker
5
sir,
मिनिटां मॅक्झिमम मेळटली
उलयता मातशें disturb
ओन्ली
करा.
5 minutes
Speaker sir, 5 minutes होई जाता speaker sir आणि 2 डिमांड उलय. Speaker sir, मंत्री हे मातशें आयक मागीर हे मातशें इम्पॉर्टंट सांगता. हे मातशें अरे गेलो अरे टायगराचे मातशें Speaker sir, the NTCA recommended a tiger reserve in 2016. The High Court ordered it in July 2023. The government missed the deadline. Speaker sir, then it ran to the Supreme Court to challenge it. Now Supreme Court appointed this CEC and the committee visited Goa twice. It met all the stakeholders and recommended a sensible phased approach. Speaker sir, munche 468 square kilometers, only 102 households in phase 1. And जे densely populated area ashille, they basically excluded it. It said a measured scientific proposal. And the speaker sir, हे मातशें तुवें आयकचें, एक controversy जी ह्या सरकारान केलेली आसा, the important controversy is that the government is contradicting its own sworn affidavit. Speaker sir, in 2018, the Goa government told the Madai Water Dispute Tribunal that there is evidence of tigers in Goa. They are not only merely transient animals. I don't think that at that time you were the forest minister. but they are a resident population म्हणून affidavit दिलेले हा, and argued that reducing Madai's water flow would adversely affect the tiger population. This the government is on record. In 2026, Speaker sir, the same government calls a tiger is a vague and unscientific and argues, Speaker sir, that there is no resident tiger population. Speaker sir, we are talking about the same tiger, the same forest, two opposite positions, chosen purely for legal convenience. This is documented in the tribunal record and in the Supreme Court records. Because आता जेन्ना आमी उलयता about tigers, when the tigers help the argument, जेन्ना argumenta fit जातात, तेन्ना ते गोरचे. म्हणजे when the tigers are helped, they were residents, and when the tigers are inconvenient, तेंका tourist कले. जाय तेदो तुम गोरचे, नाक तेदो तुमी tourist. Speaker sir, if you look at this, one very important thing, and I'm not sure whether this house knows, in February 19, 2026, जेन्ना ही case Supreme Court आयली, त्या वेळार just few weeks ago, it was discovered that one particular file भितर एक उमकी order missing ahli. And the bench of the Chief Justice himself described it as, and I quote, a deliberate attempt for some obvious reason. So my question to the Honorable Minister, and the next hearing is on 16 March. And the thing, I think, whether that order that was missing from this case file as described by the Chief Justice in the High Court, in the Supreme Court, is a deliberate attempt for some obvious reasons or no. Speaker sir, whether the Secretary General has asked for an investigation.
Please conclude. Please conclude.
And don't demand ule.
No, please conclude. You have exceeded time. Please conclude.
Conclude. Speaker sir, and don't ule. Speaker sir, in this particular case, whether the state government or any other Rao Riba Venzi, tu horchat musana machi Rao, that tu chule yo issue. Sogli side lar pressure gate. Speaker sir, Magadista Honorable Minister needs to talk about woman and child एक last 5-7 minutes mache di. Speaker sir, at this time, before I start woman and
2
child,
minutes maximum.
5 minutes anta
No, 2 minutes. Tu बाकीची गोष्टी
I would
time
talk
मध्ये
about
येतात.
Madhav
2 minutes.
Gadgil, that he was just not and remember in this house that he was not just an academic, he was one of the first scientists to warn us about clear signals that is happening in what is happening in the Western Ghats, that they are fragile, that they are finite and not endlessly adjustable to the development pressure. This is what Madhav Gadgil ji said. It is very directly relevant to what is happening in Goa because this is deeply local and painfully ignored. What he said, Speaker sir, that Goa is not only about beaches, it's about its forests, its hills, its rivers. Nearly 2/3 of Goa's landmark lies within the Western Ghats, from Mandovi to Madai to Zuari to Sal. Speaker sir, what Gadgil ji said is that Goa's water security collapses if, Speaker sir, floods will increase, if salinity intrusions are like, if we do not take care. Western Ghats, Kabar Goda, Speaker sir, Western Ghats Ecology Expert Panel, EMI report dillo ki the Ghats are uniform, some are not uniform, some are extremely sensitive, and not all development is bad, but unplanned development, he reminded us, is irreversible. What we see today, 3 linear projects, power lines, infrastructure cutting out to contiguous forests, because this will break the wildlife corridors, this will increase the human-animal conflict, this will weaken our forest resilience. It's because we see a lot of Azharani hill cutting case. Because sir, time extra dille mana. Answer to answer kitu time
extra dili pay and tu बाकीची गोष्ट करता सोपय.
Odor.
Sopoy.
Because sir,
Sopoy.
these are precisely what Gadgil identified as high risk in the Western Ghats. Because sir, what did he say? He said that when we talk about development versus conservation, Gadgil said, never said to stop development. He said, because of planned development according to your ecological limits, protect the locals, protect water catchment areas, respect our hills and plateaus, avoid fragmentation, prioritize long-term sustainable development over short-term. Speaker Sir, Madhav Gadgil ji gave us the map, he gave us the science, he gave us the data, he gave us warning, he did his duty. And Magadista, it is the duty of the House to do this. Speaker Sir, last एक ज्यांना woman and child and last उलयता I'll just make a
ना
mention.
ना सोपय
Because sir,
So,
if we look at particularly at the schemes, anik ज्या पद्धतीने 40 crores has been provided for Ladli Lakshmi, whether this Ladli Lakshmi is going to move around Sattari and or only the ruling dispensation, whether they will be given all across the state uniformly, whether this is going to happen. This is an election year. Speaker sir, if we look at basically women and child, the focus of the department should be on rising violence, on the gaps in the protection system, on overstretched Anganwadi services, and a weak rehabilitation system. हांव कित्याक म्हणटा स्पीकर सर, कित्याक रिकॉर्डा प्रमाणे violence बायलांचेर जाता, भुरग्यांचेर जाता. There seems to be nutritional
मान्य आरोपी
जे बाब
सोपया
काबार कोता.
सोपया.
Speaker sir, we need this house should therefore discuss outcomes, not just intents. When we say that, Speaker sir, as per the data 2024 on 386 cases of abuse against women, practically one case every day. This is not an occasional problem. Long-term trends, last 9 years, 2,853 cases. 70% are involved are women. Violence is not declining. Reporting alone is not going to solve the problem. Aaj, crime against children, 269 cases were reported in September 2025, out of which 185 were girls, 84 were boys. Because childhood आमचे protect करपाक आसता. Speaking about teenage pregnancies.
मान्य आरोपी सोपया
दोन मिनिटांक कोता आणता, 2 मिनिटां. Speaker sir, जे teenage pregnancies आहा, there is also abuse within families that has been reported. So there is a failure of the department in early detection, weak counseling and intervention. आज हे सगळे जोरी तर staff कमी आसा department. सगळे staff या departmentan कमी आसा. This is leading to women's dropping cases. आज ज्या पद्धतीन one stop center म्हणून जे सरकारान announce केला. But medical help, legal aid, counseling, temporary shelter, there seems to be very low awareness among women, limited staffing. आज anxiety and mental health, depression, here domestic stress, सगळे वाढवत आसा Speaker sir. Yet the health counseling in WCD, there also there is so many positions that are weak. Basically, positions that are empty. 701 malnourished children together, ICDS, Poshan Abhiyan mo, regular supplementary sokan, बाप कालुसान सांगितलं porridge सारखी दी नाही mo. There are cases of stunting, wasting, underweight. सगळ्या उलयना Speaker sir, but एकूच सांगपाक
सोपया
सोदता
आता 2 मिनिटं
की
जाली तुझी.
the data is clear. तुगे por मरे demands. It is. The data is clear. The abuse is frequent. Children are vulnerable. Systems are present, are just stretched. Outcomes, because are not what they should be. So, Magadista, women and children do not need more announcement. Actions are bagze. They need stronger systems, faster response, and sustained support. आणि दोन आले ते दिना तो लोक
चल
ते नो दिना Speaker sir. Dental college आणि ते बी आले ते दिना.
ना असो बस आता माननीय मंत्री
Speaker sir, after going through all the demands, cut motions, and I think leader of opposition has taken a lot of time and a lot of data, but many of the things which you have mentioned, part of them are sub judice, like you yourself have mentioned. I'll go as much as depth I can in the next time that is allotted to me. Speaker sir, as a lot of perception building takes place, and we all know that this is an election year, and we all know that there are certain things that have to be done, certain things that have to be done in a particular manner. My only thing is that तुम्ही पळयलें आसतलें की ह्या दिसांनी आमी पळयता की झाडां कापता काय फॉरेस्ट कवर कमी जाता म्हणून जायती चर्चा जाता. I was just discussing on certain things is that I'm not going to get into the nitty-gritty of the whole thing, that who did what, where did what start. It doesn't end anywhere. As far as private forest, Speaker sir, goes, it is during my tenure that we took a decision that interim reports will be made into total finality, and I had given instructions to PCCF at that point of time when I took over as Forest Minister, not to allow manipulation, that nobody will be able to remove any survey number. So more than in the last 11 reports that have been submitted, amounting to about 8.2 crore square meters of land, which may go a little higher after the couple of other 2-3 reports which are pending. Speaker sir, during these 4 years, 3.5 crore square meters of land has been protected, and already we have filed the reports with the NGT. Many times when we say that the forest cover is reducing, we are talking only on these aspects. Many times it appears, and कोणाक खरें दिसता की यांनी जेन्ना आमी पळयता स्पीकर सर, तुमी आयज जो ऑर्डर दिल्लो आसा, तुमी जे रुलींग दिल्लें आसा की जे कितें तुमी थरयता हावजान, केन्ना केन्ना कांय गोश्टीचेर कशेंय रील भायर सरता. ते रील भायर सरले म्हणून मागीर लोकांक खरें दिसता की बाबा सरकार कितें काम करता, काय सरकाराचे जे कितें निर्णय घेतल्या हे कशें कितें निर्णय घेतल्या. स्पीकर सर, फॉरेस्ट, प्रायवेट फॉरेस्टाचे जे हांव सदां म्हणटालो की प्रायवेट फॉरेस्ट इशू इतल्या वर्सां आसता, हांवें ऑलरेडी डायरेक्शन दिल्लें आसा PCCFाक की 1 मे एनी कंप्लीट 1 मे अपर लिमीट 1 जून हे स्टोरी ऑफ प्रायवेट फॉरेस्ट शूड बी एंडेड. वॉट एवर सर्वे बिर्वे जे कितें कंप्लीट करपाक जाय हे कंप्लीट करून तुम्ही फायनलिटी तुम्ही रिपोर्ट NGT फायल करात, म्हणजे वन्स अँड फॉर ऑल दॅट इशू इज क्लोज्ड. स्पीकर सर, ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन एंड जायते मेंबर्सान उरलेले आसा ऑन मॅनग्रोव्ह आनी मॅनग्रोव्ह कन्जर्वेशन. जायते गोष्टी CRZान येता, कांय गोष्टी फॉरेस्टाच्या अंडर येता. स्पीकर सर, आयज गोवा फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटान आपल्या कडल्यान जायत्यो गोष्टी एक कंट्रोल मॅनरान गोश्ट्यो केल्ल्यो आसा. म्हाका दिसना की खंय तुमकां बी खबर आहा की तुमचे एरिया बी फॉरेस्टान पडटा, आमचे एरिया बी फॉरेस्टान पडटा, बट फॉरेस्ट कवर जो आहा गेल्या 10 वर्सान 62% पावल्लो आसा फ्रॉम 59%. केन्ना केन्ना वयर सकयल जाय, पूण तुमी ओवरऑल एनालिसीस केल्यार स्पीकर सर आमी एक निर्णय घेतलेलो आसा. हे प्रायवेट फॉरेस्टाचो इशू घेतल्यार आनी ओवरऑल फॉरेस्ट कवर गोंय राज्यान आमी घेतल्यार आमी पळयता की आमचे कडेन ऑलरेडी हे आसा, आमचे वायल्ड लायफ पार्क्स आनी जायत्यो गोश्टी आमी वेगळ्या तरेन फुडें व्हरपाचो आमी प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा. टोटल कन्जर्वेशनाचो उल्लेख केलो वयता, पूण बॅलन्स दवरचो पडटा. बॅलन्स ह्या तरेचो दवरचो पडटा की ट्युरिजम एक सायडीन चलपाक जाय, त्याच बरोबर कन्जर्वेशनाचेर बी आमी स्ट्रिक्टली आमी मेजर्स आमी घेतलेले आसा. स्पीकर सर, आयज आमी स्पीकर सर उलयतना हांवें एक निर्णय घेतला. आमी निर्णय ह्या तरेचो घेतला की 13,000 सर्वे नंबर आमी डायरेक्शन दिल्लें आसा फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट कडल्यान आयडेंटिफाय करून 13,000 सर्वे नंबर जे मॅनग्रोवचे अंडर येता, जे आयडेंटिफाय केल्ले आसा, तेजेर टावन प्लॅनिंग डिपार्टमेंटान बी सब रेजिस्टर आनी बाकीचे जे कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंट्स आसा की हेजेर आमी परमिशन कांयच दिवचें ना खंयचेच कन्स्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटी घेवपाक. म्हणजे हे फर्स्ट टायम जाता. आमी फॉरेस्टांतल्यान आमी घेतल्या म्हायती आनी आमी 13,000 सर्वे नंबर आमी ब्लॉक केल्ले आसा. म्हणजे खंयचेच परिस्थितीन हांगा कन्स्ट्रक्शन स्पीकर सर जावचें ना. आयज देशाचे प्रधानमंत्री स्पीकर सर, आयज देशाचे प्रधानमंत्री PM स्कीम कन्जर्व अँड रिस्टोर आनी रिटेन ह्या आदाराचेर आमी जायत्यो गोश्टी आमी घेता. आयज तुमी जेन्ना कन्जर्वेशनाचे जेन्ना मॅनग्रोवाचे जेन्ना फक्त मॅनग्रोवाचे उलयता, नॉन फॉरेस्ट एरियान बी खुबश्यो गोश्टी येता आनी आमच्या नियंत्रणान जे कितें येता त्यो गोश्टी आमी फुडें वेगळ्या तरेन व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसता. स्पीकर सर, आयज 7% फॉरेस्ट कवर इज 7% कवर जो आसा तो अर्बन एंड रुरल घेतल्यार म्हाका दिसता गोंयचो फॉरेस्ट कवर जो आहा, ऑनरेबल लिडर ऑपोजिशनाकूच सांगता हांव, गोंयचो फॉरेस्ट कवर जो आहा तो क्लोज टू 70% पावता. 68 काय 69% जर तुमी पूर्ण आंकडो घेतल्यार. म्हणून हे जे कितें परसेप्शन बिल्डींग स्पीकर सर जे गोंयांत चल्लां, आयज कॅम्पा फंडांतल्यान कॉन्जर्वेशना खातीर आमी कमीत कमी 40 कोटी रुपया आमी प्रपोज केल्ले आसा. ते पास जाल्यार आमी तो पयसो योग्य तरेन आमी फुडें व्हरपाचो आमी प्रयत्न करतलो. डिपार्टमेंट काम करता आनी डिपार्टमेंटाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आयज तुमीच उल्लेख केलो, हावजान जायते मेंबर्साचो विचार हांवें आयकले की तुमी जे म्हणटा की आमचे लेपर्ड्स, पॅन्थर्स हेंचे खातीर रेस्क्यू आनी हेज्या खातीर बी आयज चीफ मिनिस्टरान बी आयज मुख्यमंत्रीन बी आयज आपल्या बजेटान उल्लेख केल्लो. पूण आमी बी रेस्क्यू रिहॅबिलिटेशन ऑफ एनिमल्स आमी योग्य तरेन ते फुडें व्हरपाचो आमी प्रयत्न करता. आमचे कडेन ती फेसिलिटी पयलीं नाशिल्ली, ती फेसिलिटी योग्य तरेन फुडें व्हरपाक जाय म्हणून आमी एक पुण्याचे एजन्सी कडेन आमी टायअप केल्ले आसा. म्हणजे आमी तांकां इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आनी बाकी सगळे गोश्टी प्रोवायड करून आमी ते वेगळ्या तरेन हे आमी आमचे वायल्ड लायफ रेस्क्यू खातीर आमी योग्य तरेन डिस्ट्रेस वायल्ड एनिमल्स आनी हांकां सगळ्यांक जे एक्सिडंटान सांपडटात हांकां योग्य तरेची ट्रिटमेंट गावंक जाय म्हणून त्या तरेची एजन्सीक आमी टायअप करून फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. स्पीकर सर, जाय ते गोष्टी रिपीट जाल्ले आसा म्हणून हांव एक ब्रीफ नटशेलान उलयतां. ओवरऑल स्पीकर सर, गालजीबाग मुख्यमंत्री कडेन चर्चा करून गालजीबाग आमी एक मरीन रिझर्व म्हणून डिक्लेअर करपाचे, मरीन सेंच्युरी म्हणून डिक्लेअर करपाचे सरकारान निर्णय घेतले आसा. मुख्यमंत्री ते अनाउन्स करतले पण आमी हे घेतला निर्णय, धाडून दिले फायल. आनी एक हाय आमचे ओवरऑल आमी इवन ग्रँड आयलँड आमी एक मरीन रिझर्व एंड एक कन्झर्वेशन एरिया म्हणून आमी डिक्लेअर करपाचे सरकारान ठरयल्ले आसा. हे इतल्या वर्सां पेंडींग आशिल्ले. म्हणजे जेन्ना तुमी म्हणटा की आमचें लक्ष नासता प्रत्येक गोष्टीचेर, आमी योग्य तरेन ते फुडें व्हरपाचो आमी प्रयत्न करता. आयज टर्टल कन्झर्वेशनाची तुमी पळयल्यार स्पीकर सर, हाय हॅचलिंग सक्सेस थ्रू कम्युनिटी सपोर्टेड एफर्ट्स, आनी हे योग्य तरेन फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट लक्ष दवरून ते फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न करता स्पीकर सर. आयज ह्या गोंय राज्यान आमी पळयल्यार ओवरऑल आमी जे तुमकां सांगलेलें आसा स्पीकर सर, आमी 8.22 crore स्क्वेअर मिटर जेन्ना प्रायवेट फॉरेस्ट, एक सायडीक वायल्ड लायफ सेंच्युरी, एक सायडीक आमी आनी ग्रीन कवर आमी वाडोवपाचो आमी प्रयत्न करता. मरीन कन्झर्वेशन, मरीन रिझर्व्स तुमी पळयल्यार ओवरऑल फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट ज्या तरेन आमी विचार करून फुडें व्हरता, जे कितें फंडींग आसा, आयज फंडिंगाची जर आमी आंकडे जर ते प्रत्येक गोष्टीचेर हांव गेलो तर प्रत्येक सरकार जे येता, प्रत्येक सरकाराची विचारधारा आसता. आनी प्रत्येक सरकार जर पळोवंक गेल्यार आनी तुमी 10 वर्साचो बी बजेट्स काडून पळयल्यार आमी जें कितें अलॉट केल्लें आसा, जें कितें केंद्र सरकार कडल्यान गावता, योग्य तरेन ते डिपार्टमेंट ते फुडें व्हरपाचो आमी प्रयत्न करता. आयज आमी आतां फाटीं लागल्या की बोंडला एक कॉम्प्रिहेन्सीव आमकां फंडींग गावचें आनी एक वेगळे तरेन तेजे एक वेगळे तरेन ते फुडें व्हरपाचो एक उद्देश घेवन आमी फुडें सरल्या. आनी हांव पयलीं युनियन मिनिस्ट्री कडेन उलयलां की तेंचे आमचे PCCF आनी आयज मिटींग फुडल्या विकान एक विधानसभा जाल्या उपरांत आमी वचून तांकां विनंती करतले की हे एक कॉम्प्रिहेन्सीव सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट एंड स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट म्हणजे बोंडला हो एक वेगळे तरेन डेव्हलप करून फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. गोंय राज्यान बी आमकां दिसता की एक ह्या तरेचो हब आसपाक जाय की लोकांक दिसपाक जाय की आमी थंय वचपाक जाय. हे सगळे गोष्टी आमी ऑलरेडी पावलां घेवपाक आमी ऑलरेडी सुरवात केल्ली आसा स्पीकर सर. आयज जेन्ना ऑनरेबल लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन म्हणटा की आयज टायगर रिझर्व, हांव टायगर रिझर्वाचेर कांयच उलोवंक शकना कारण तो सबज्युडीस आसा. हांवें कितेंय शब्द दिल्यार जाय ते आयज एफिडेवीट जे येता तुमी पळयल्यार तुमीच अग्री जातले की बाबा योग्य आहा की हांवें तेजेर चड चर्चा करपाची ना, कारण ते ऑलरेडी सुप्रीम कोर्टान CAC अपॉयंट केल्या, CACन रिपोर्ट दिल्ले आसा. आतां ते कितें आउटकम आहा ते सरकार तेजे आमी अपोज केल्ले आसा. आयज ऑनरेबल लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशनाक एकूच सांगूंक शकता की आमी जे कितें तुमी आयकल्या कितें कितें गोष्टी चर्चा जाल्या ते आमी ओपोज केल्ले आसा, डिपार्टमेंटान ओपोज केल्ले आसा. पूण त्या बरोबर हो आमचो स्टँड. पूण आतां कितें सुप्रीम कोर्टान ऑलरेडी मॅटर पावल्लो आसा.
कोर्टान टायगर आलो घरचो आनी सोयिसांतून केले ताका टुरिस्ट.
मंदी येलोपी तुमचे उलोवप जालें, आतां परत डिस्टर्ब करूं नाका.
पयली गोष्ट सर
आन्सर करूं दी, मदीं मदीं डिस्टर्बन्स ना.
टायम दितलो न्हू.
स्पीकर सर हांवें गेले इतले तुमी तुमचे तुमी भितर आसतना आयकले, म्हाजो आवाज तरी आयकला म्हाका खबर ना, पूण हांव कांयच उलोवंक ना गेले इतल्या वरां. हांव आयकता सगळ्यांचे. पयलें म्हणजे ते नो एविडन्स ऑफ रेसिडेंट टायगर, NTCA डिपेंडेड ऑन सेकंडरी एविडन्स टू से that there are tigers. This is what I am just making a mention. That is all for the court and Supreme Court to decide. स्पीकर सर फॉरेस्टाचेर आनी म्हाका काय तुमकां हांवें सांगलेलें आसा इन ब्रीफ नटशेल कितें कितें चल्लां तें, कितें आमी प्रायवेट फॉरेस्टाचो विशय केल्या आनी खंयचेच प्रायवेट फॉरेस्टाचे एरियान फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटाचे आमचे दोनी DCF नॉर्थ एंड सावथ आनी PCCF जे आहा तांकां क्लियर इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स आहा की खंयचेच प्रायवेट फॉरेस्ट एरियान कन्स्ट्रक्शन अलाव करपाचें नात. सगळ्या गोष्टीचेर तेंचें लक्ष आसा स्पीकर सर. IPHBचेर उलयतना स्पीकर सर जे म्हाका दिसता लिडर ऑपोजिशन उलोवंक सोदतालो की IPHBचेर मुख्यमंत्रीन बी आपले डे केअर सेंटराची ऑलरेडी घोशणा केल्ली आसा. ह्या कांय दिसांनीच आमी तेजें इनॉग्रेशन आमी करतले. इट शूड बी रेडी एनी मोमेंट. टेलिमानसाचें आमी वेगळे तरेन फुडें व्हरपाचो आयजची परिस्थिती ह्या आमी पळयता की तेजी गरज आहा आनी हेल्पलायन आनी स्टाफ घेवपाचो आमी प्रपोजल ऑलरेडी प्रपोज केल्लो आसा स्पीकर सर. आनी वेगळे तरेन हे टेलिमानस जे आमचे देशाचे प्रधानमंत्रीचे इनिशिएटीव जेंच्या माध्यमांतल्यान जी सुरू जाल्ली, म्हाका दिसता की एक योग्य तरेन ते फुडें व्हरपाचो आमी प्रयत्न आमी केल्लो आसा आनी तेजी सक्सेसफुली ते आमचे कावन्सिलर्स हँडल करता स्पीकर सर. आयज हे डे केअर सेंटर GSIDC बांदून आमकां दितले आनी ते तयार ऑलरेडी जाल्ले आसा. ते योग्य तरेन ते फुडें व्हरपाचो आमी प्रयत्न आमी करता स्पीकर सर. एक स्टिग्मा जो आहा, एक मेंटल हेल्थ आनी ह्या गोष्टीचेर जो स्टिग्मा जो आसता म्हणून वी आर प्लॅनिंग ऑल्सो टू चेंज द नेम ऑफ द इन्स्टिट्यूट and with consultation from experts exactly what it should be so that we can make it in a manner where children and all don't feel they're being taken for treatment. It should be in a very different way. It
माननीय
has to be
मंत्री
done.
एक मिनिट.
Speaker, sir. Under Rule 16, I would like to move a motion to extend the duration of the sitting in the House by 1 hour.
सभागृहाचे कामकाज 1 वरान वाडोवचें असो प्रस्ताव आसा. जेंका मान्य आसा तेणी हय म्हणचें. जेंका मान्य ना तेणी ना म्हणचें. सभागृहाचे कामकाज 1 वरान वाडयलें. माननीय मंत्री.
स्पीकर सर, आणि ह्याच तरेन आमकां वेगळ्या तरेन आमकां फुडें व्हरपाक जाय. निमॅन्स कडेन आमचे टायप करपाचो बी चर्चा चल्ल्या स्पीकर सर. म्हणजे आमी एक एक्सचेंज आमचे डॉक्टर्स थंय वचून ट्रेनिंग घेवं शकतात, तेंचे एक्सपर्ट्स तेंचे वेगळ्या तरेन कशें आमी डील करूं शकता पेशंट कडेन. इवन ल्हान भुरग्यांक ह्या आयजच्या दिसा आमकां कावन्सिलिंगाची गरज आसा. ह्यो गोश्टी वेगळ्या तरेन तुमी आज जेन्ना म्हणटा ऑनरेबल लिडर ऑपोजिशन म्हणटाले की एमर्जन्सी मेडिसिनाचे 15 पोस्ट खाली आहा. ते 15 पोस्ट खाली ना ते जेन्ना एडवर्टायज जाल्ल्यो आमकां त्या तरेचे आमकां कॅन्डिडेट्स आमकां गावूंक ना म्हणून हो विशय परत एकदा एडवर्टायज करपाक आमी विनंती केल्ली आसा. स्पीकर सर, ओवरऑल आमी वेगळ्या तरेन हे IPHBचे सेंटर जे आमी IPHBचे आमचे जे फेसिलिटी गोंय राज्यान आहा ते वेगळ्या तरेन फुडें व्हरपाचो निमॅन्स बरोबर आमी टायप करून फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. स्पीकर सर, वुमन एंड चायल्ड डिपार्टमेंट जायची चर्चा जाली. आमचो कार्लुसान म्हाका हे बी धाडून दिले आनी म्हाका आमच्या निलेशान बी ते सांगलेले आसा की आमी ते खाद्य जे आसा पूण हे सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट बेसिसाचेर जे कितें आमकां करपाक जाय जे आमी करूं शकता पण आमचे कडेन ओवरऑल तेजो तसो रिस्पॉन्स येवंक ना. आयज कदाचित तुमचे कडेन जर आयल्यार तुमी आमकां ते आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटाक परत एकदां हांव सांगता कितें स्कोप आहा काय म्हणून विचारून we'll try to see what best we can do to take it forward. As far as women and child department is concerned, we are trying to see that we move from rented premises to school buildings and other areas where we can actually shift it with the help of the education department so that we have our own premises in which we can have smart Anganwadis in a very different way so that the environment that is created, we can create it in a good way because we don't get funds as if it's in a rented premises unless there's a NOC. There are several other formalities. So we are trying to see how best we can do. New Anganwadis are also in the process of being constructed, Speaker sir. आणि जाय ते अंगणवाडीज आमी घेतल्या PWDचे अंडर आमी घेतल्या. आमी सजेशन केल्लें आसा की आनी आमकां ते घेवचें. आनी ओवरऑल if you see somebody mentioned about one of the committees that is to be notified, that's already been notified. So overall, if you go to see that WCD is one of the in-depth, one of the departments which I always like to work with because they have done an extremely good job. As far as the department was successful, as far as the award that was got by the department pertaining to the Gold Scotch Award for Anganwadi Nutrition Initiative. We got this award because of the hard work of the department. This department is, I would like to praise the work that is being done by the department. They do a very good job with whatever limitations. It's not easy. It's okay. Sometimes we like to say that, certain things have to be done and we are open to any suggestions that are made. There are maybe some certain deficiencies that we looked at. We will look at that and we'll take it forward. As far as the issue that Honorable Leader of Opposition mentioned, I've asked parallelly while he was speaking for the department to note so that those are the issues that can be addressed in a very different way. DFDA has been doing a very good job. As far as the complaints that used to come earlier, we are getting very little complaints from the members of the assembly also. And also, you have seen in your area the artificial fruit ripening onwards to actually carrying out these raids and destroying all these products. I think they have been doing a phenomenal job. We have got a good director of DFDA and our whole team working just like the director for Women and Child who's been doing an extremely good job. I think more strict, they're being very vigilant. They're being actually ensuring that the safety aspects are being looked into. I don't think any aspect is left. If I go nitty-gritty of every member, then we'll be sitting here till 12 o'clock in the night. So I'm just would like to put on the mention in the floor of the House is that the work that is being done by the DFDA in order to mention that the strict vigil is being done very efficiently. So also Director Women and Child. I also mentioned to the PCCF, I just forgot, is that I want to reinforce one point is that for 1st of May will be the upper limit 1 June to file the final report as far as the private forest is concerned. And Bondla amka sagyang जाय की Bondla is it's transformed in a good way, and it's important for us to see that we see the the end outcome of the whole Bondla Wildlife Park. As far as health services are concerned, Speaker Sir, there are certain deficiencies. I think Bob Benzi is there, he already made a mention, is that whether it is going to be now or it's going to be after the elections in the next year. But म्हाका दिसता की gap analysis करपाक already there's an agency from Government of India. आमी already HLL कडे आमी gap analysis आमी घेतलेले आसा. बाब विजय सरदेसाय तो विषय काडीत आहा, बाब दिगंबर कामताक बी तो लागता, दोगांक लागता तो, आनी पूर्ण साऊथ गोंयाक जो इश्यू लागता, हे सगळ्या गोष्टी जे आमकां वेगळ्या तरेन जे फुडें व्हरपाक जाय, आमी ते फुडें व्हरपाचो आमी प्रयत्न करता. मुख्यमंत्रीन आयज आमी जे गॅप एनालिसीस आमचे कडेन आतां जॉयंट सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ आहा तो ते कोऑर्डिनेट करता की बाबा हे जो रिपोर्ट येतकूच वील ट्राय अप विथ HLL टू सी दॅट we are able to take, and whatever gaps are there in the health services, in the health system, that we are able to get that type of that type of technicians and that type of equipment also to the Government of India, and this tie-up, and this has been successfully implemented in a couple of states, including Assam. We want to see that the facilities are improved and more facilities are provided as far as the South Goa District Hospital goes. Recently, everyone must have seen that there are a large number of staffing that is taking place in these hospitals. And it is necessary, I do understand what the Honorable Member just mentioned about one of the incidents that has happened in the hospital. But I want to draw the attention of Leader of Opposition that you have to understand is that the health system also, to manage the health system also, it is very challenging. हे health system तुम्ही आयज पळयता गोंयान, हे health system अशी नाशिल्ली. गेल्या 16-20 वर्सां पयलींचे health system तुम्ही पळयल्यार, आनी आयजचे health system तुम्ही पळयल्यार पयलीं हुंदरां येवन भुरग्यांची बोटां आनी दोळ्यां खाताले. आनी ही परिस्थिती हांव मंत्री जाल्या सुरवातीक जाला तेन्नाच्यान परिस्थिती आशिल्ली. ना तें तूं नाशिल्लो तेन्ना म्हूण तूं सांग, तूं भुरगो आशिल्लो, तुका फर्स्ट टायम हांव मेळ्ळा तेन्ना फर्स्ट टायम म्हळ्यार तूं यंग भुरगो आशिल्लो तेन्ना.
4 वर्सां जालीं ती
Please don't interrupt him, Honorable LOP.
2 मिनटां हांव तुजें कांयच निगेट करिना. हांव तुज्या फक्त
Please sit down, Honorable LOP.
माझे 2 मिनटां आयक. What Chief Minister has done, that let me at least say that what is being done in the last few days. पयर आमी बसले आनी आमी ठरयलें की बेगिना बेगीन आमकां तुवेंचें हॉस्पिटल बेगिना चालू करूंक जाय. मागीर अचानक आमी ठरयलें, अचानक न्हू, वी हॅड टू समवेर वी हॅड टू मेक अ बिगनींग. आतां तें केल्या उपरांत आतां थंय कितें गरज आहा, खंय कितें स्टाफ लागता, ते सगळे गोश्टी फुडें व्हरपाचो काम चालू केल्लें आसा. आयज ए गॅप एनालिसीस, बिकॉज विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दीस गॅप एनालिसीस दॅट वी आर डुईंग, देर इज अ रिजन वाय आय एम ओनली मेन्शनिंग दॅट इट्स अ गॅप एनालिसीस which is being done, because there is special fund from Government of India, and they will ensure that whatever equipment and everything that is required, they will ensure that once the report is finalized, then this equipments and wherever we require to see that whatever shortfall we have, that will be taken care of. Now, even in Kanpur, I had gone the other day with the Honorable Speaker to his hospital. Some equipment has become old. Sometimes you don't have somebody to take an X-ray. All these issues will be resolved once and for all. And I would like to thank Honorable Minister for PW, Mr. Digambar Kamath, and the Chief Minister both, because aligning in a similar manner, because of which we are today having this process has already started with HLL on having the gap analysis, so that we are able to get sufficient funds from Government of India. And also, we all understand that this is a election year, but it is not only for the election purpose, but this is once in order to put the health system in place, and that type of funding also is required. And this funding, I am confident that we'll get it from this particular fund which I am talking about, and this will benefit the people of South Goa. We also want that the people of South Goa get this benefit, and this hospital once and for all becomes on par with, it can be a level less than a tertiary hospital, but it has to be brought to that level. Then only it will be in a better position to serve the people of South Goa. And most important, Speaker, sir, is that there are several initiatives which we have started. Somebody mentioned that by doing screening itself is not enough. But today, preventive medicine, if you have to do and to see that people do not fall ill, then screening also is very important. Now we have started and given directions that all the hospitals, PHC, CHC, get into that mode of screening. And screening is going to be the priority of the state government, whether it is cancer, whether it is your diabetes, to check whether a person is going towards a pre-diabetic condition or several other initiatives. We are trying to see that we are able to put it in the forefront of the government's priority as far as the health sector is concerned. Speaker, sir, you yourself represent MAPSA. You yourself require much more facilities that is there in the MAPSA, North Goa District Hospital. I have assured, I am going to sit down tomorrow and also whatever we have discussed, where Mr. Nilesh Kabral's facility is concerned for declaring it as a sub-district hospital, because that hospital you have built only like that, so it has to be declared. So also, Pedne has to be declared as a sub-district hospital, because that hospital is bigger than any kind of, it cannot be called a community health center at all. And if you look at the Goa model, district, I took a district, district hospital, we can call it a district hospital, because these hospitals that we have built, they don't define. If you go to the actual definition in the health sector and you go to other places, I mean, our hospital at Tuve, or if you look at the hospital at Kurchere, will be better than a district hospital in a larger state. So, Speaker, sir, this is how we want to go. Whatever the shortfalls, that behind me sitting is Subhash Valdesai. He also wants that his hospital should be fully commissioned. So all these aspects have to be looked into, and that's why we are counting on this gap analysis people who are doing, and our team from the health services, our team from Goa Medical College, and these people and these officers from Delhi are sitting from HLL to see that we are able to take this in a proper manner forward, Speaker, sir. Speaker, sir, also initiatives also need to be recognized by the department that is being done for STEMI. We have saved so many lives because of STEMI. We are the only state that we are giving free medication in a manner in which no other state is giving, including insulin onwards to several other products, medicines that we are giving to the people. But I want to mention to you, just mentioned about CAG. CAG may have raised observations, but no negative para has been passed on the functioning of the health services. I have gone through that in detail when the questions that were raised, but each and every question has been has been answered by the department. So they have put it and they have replied in a proper manner. STEMI is a very successful project that is being, is a very successful mechanism we have put in place in the state of Goa. Several lives have been saved. Still, I am not saying that whatever members are saying from the opposition or from the ruling, the issues that they face, like in Kurtori, if you go to Kurtori today, the Chief Minister put a foundation stone in his constituency where I think after so long, if you looked at it, it was in a very horrible state. So everywhere health infrastructure is being loaded, whether it is Kandulim, whether it is Mr. Reginald's constituency, whether Delilah wanted her community health community health center to be designated. I have already cleared the file and I have already sent it, but I will take an update tomorrow. Whatever we have assured, we'll take it forward. Doctors, Speaker, sir, are not very easy to get. We are trying our best to see that we can take doctors, born doctors, we are increasing more posts of senior residents so that we can then place them in different places, Speaker, sir. As far as OPD's timing, there was an issue in the last assembly that the OPD timing also has to be increased. That also we have moved actually so that we are able to increase the OPD timings. I only want to request, when we talk about health, when we talk about putting a system in place, Honorable Member Vijay Sardesai, Speaker, sir, mentioned about an issue. I will immediately have it investigated. There's also what issue you mentioned about Kankon. It is important, but when a system, you do whatever we want to discuss on the floor of the House, we can discuss. But discipline has to be maintained. Where discipline has to be maintained, you yourself said that people call us, mentioning people call up in the night that, please put in a word. Why please put in a word? Because you have to put in a word, and only then to ensure. No, it is not. It is important. It's very easy to say. I have run the health services for the last so many years, but it's not easy. It's very challenging. You're dealing with human resources, you're dealing with doctors. It becomes very difficult sometimes. And as a result of which, there are situations that occur. And as a result, we have to ensure that this system works on a very proper mode, and we need to also change the RRs in several things so that we get people from hospital administration and other things. In the NHM, it has already been changed, but it's not changed. We have not yet changed it. We need to also change so that we are able to get people so that the hospital administration part of it is, they are dealing from the academic part of it, and we are able to take it in a very different way forward. It is important today you have the professionals that are available so that we are able to run the hospitals properly. Honorable Member Viresh Porkar also mentioned about certain facilities that have to be looked into. तुवें पैशाचे जो उल्लेख केलो जे budgetary allocation पण PNRCचे तुमचेच लागीं PNRC ते पूर्णपणे PNRCचेर आमचें लक्ष आसा. आनी PNRCचे सगळ्या गोष्टी आमी CSRचे अंडर आमी चलयता. आनी ते इवन भुरग्यांक जे स्प्लिंट्स दिता, भुरग्यांक जे बूट दिता, जे भुरग्यांचे बर्थ डिफेक्ट डिफॉर्मिटीचे जे भुरग्यांक तांकां त्रास जाता आनी न्यूरो रिहॅब सेंटर ते हांवेंच सुरू केल्ले पयलीं खूब वर्सां पयलीं. आनी ते सेंटर वेगळे तरेन आयज आमचेच सरकार आयज ते भुरग्यांक बूट पासून ते स्प्लिंट्स पासून बी सगळे गोश्टी आमी फ्री दिता. अशें ना की आमी खंय दुर्लक्ष केलां, पूण केन्ना केन्ना कठीण जाता. फिजिओथेरपिस्ट आमी हाडटा. आमी मुंबयच्यान एक एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर हाडलेले आसा. ती फ्री येवन हांगा काम करता, ज्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमचे डॉक्टर फिजिओथेरपिस्ट जे घेतल्या ते फिजिओथेरपिस्टाक ट्रेन करून आमी फ्री ट्रिटमेंट आमी थंय भुरग्यांक आमी दिता. आमचो प्रयत्न चालू आहा. हांव म्हणना की सगळ्यांक आमकां यश गावता, पूण खुबशे गोश्टीन आमकां यश थोड्या प्रमाणान तरी गावल्लें आसा. आनी आमी जे कितें स्टुडंट्स आनी फिजिओथेरपिस्ट जे गोंया राज्यान सादारण फिजिओथेरपिस्ट घेतलो आनी PNRC लायलो म्हूण जावचें ना. तांकां पेडियाट्रीक न्यूरो फिजिओथेरपिस्टान ट्रेन करपाक जाय. ते ट्रेन करपाक म्हणून आमी घेतल्या. जे जे कोर्सीस येता भुरग्यांक डॉक्टरांक धाडपाक जाय ते करता. फर्टिलिटी आमचे IVFचे बी आमी सुरू केले. IVFचे बी ट्रिटमेंट आमी गोंया राज्यान आमी आमचें एकूच राज्य आहा जे गव्हर्मेंट हॉस्पिटलान जे आमी IVFचे ट्रिटमेंट आमी फ्री दिता लोकांक. वेगळ्या वेगळ्या विशयाचेर तुमी जे चर्चा केल्या प्रत्येक गोश्ट आमी नोट केल्ले आसा स्पिकर सर, आनी हेजेर आमी लक्ष आमी घालतले. विरेश बोरकराक खबर आहा ऑनरेबल मेंबराक की आमी जेन्ना डॉक्टर फाटले डीन आशिल्ले तांकां कितें शॉर्टफॉल आशिल्लो मांडूर आमी तांकां सांगलेलें आसा. पूण तरी बी खंय ना खंय अडचण केन्ना केन्ना येता. ती अडचण आमी खंय तरी कमी करपाक गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज मांडूर इज एफिलेटेड टू गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज जे आमचो प्रयत्न आहा की ते आमी फुलफील करतलेच. आनी त्याच बरोबर हांव म्हणना की 100% प्रत्येक गोश्ट फुडें व्हरूं शकता आमी योग्य तरेन फाटले.
Honorable member, let him complete. Let him
हांव
complete.
उलयतां
मातशें बसून
न्ही,
घेयात. मातशें बसून घेयात.
Speaker sir, I just mentioned 100% it doesn't happen. 100% if I say that everything is, as I assured in the floor of the house, it will be 100% by the next assembly session. Now we have finished 4 years. Whatever that does not mean in 4 years no upgradation. In last 4 years we have gone through several phases where we have seen the upgradation of Goa Medical College. Now we have got an issue there. We have got an issue where the college building was in a bad condition. We had to move them into the super specialty block, where the dental college OTs had to be operationalized for maxillofacial surgery. They are also in the basement, and other places we have used the students occupying. So it becomes very difficult. Sometimes practical issues generally tend to take front stage, and it becomes very difficult for us to deal with the situation, Speaker sir. As far as urban development is concerned, I think most of the places wherever projects and other things, and I'll ask them to give you you do the date you inaugurate. हांव जाय जाल्यार येता. तुका जाय जाल्यार येता तुज्या वांगडा. म्हणजे करया दोन्ही त्याच दिसा करया. हांव येता तुज्या वांगडा करपाक. ना एक वर्स तूं कर न्ही, तुका हांव टायम दिता न्ही. तूं कर, तुका कित्याक थारायला कोणी. आनी मेन म्हणजे कितें आहा की आयज आमी वेगळे तरेन जेन्ना उलयता स्पिकर सर, खुबशे गोश्टी आयज कांय गोश्टी सबज्युडीस आहा. हांव म्हाजें मर्यादीत उत्तर दिवपाचो प्रयत्न करता. आयज एक गोश्ट हांव सांगूंक सोदतां आनी हांव आयकले सगळे गोश्टी प्रत्येक MLAचे प्रत्येकाक कोणाक दिसता की एरिया अंडर मॅनग्रोव आमी हाडलेले आसा. आयज 13,000 सर्वे नंबर आमी फ्रीज केल्ले आसा आनी थंय कन्स्ट्रक्शन बी आमी अलाव करचे ना. स्पिकर सर केन्ना केन्ना आमी आयज विजयान जे उलयलो, विजय बरोबर लिडर ऑपोजिशनान उल्लेख केलो, कांय MLAन उल्लेख केलो. हांव एकूच सांगूंक सोदतां की स्पिकर सर आयजच्या दिसा कांय मेंबरांनी आंकडे बी काडल्या. कांय मेंबरान आंकडे काडल्या की हे आंकडे सारके नसलेले आंकडे काडल्या की प्रोविजनलान 70 लाख जाले म्हणून. 70 लाख ते कांय म्हाका खबर ना कोण 70 लाख ना ते. हांव फ्लोर ऑफ द हावजार हांव सांगूंक सोदतां की आयज 39A जो विशय जो आहा तो मॅटर बी सबज्युडीस आहा. आयज सगळे मॅटर सबज्युडीस आहा. टावन प्लॅनिंग डिपार्टमेंट बी सबज्युडीस जाल्ले आसा. आतां तेजेर जितकें उत्तर हांव दिवंक शकता तितकें उत्तर हांव दिता. पण मेन म्हणजे कितें आहा की 0.02% ऑफ द रिजनल प्लॅन आयज फायनल आमी अप्रुवल दिल्ले आसा. आयज जेन्ना तुमी 16Bचेर जेन्ना उलयता तेन्ना ते 2.56% तेन्ना कन्वर्जन जाल्लें, म्हणजे 1.5 कोटी सुमार स्क्वेअर मिटर तेन्ना कन्वर्जन जाल्लें. आनी 16B मागीर आमी ते रिसेंट केल्ले, आमी ते डिलीट केल्लो क्लॉज आनी ते आमी काडून उडयले प्रोविजन. पूण त्याच बरोबर पयलीं सेक्शन 44 आशिल्लें स्पिकर सर, जेन्ना टावन प्लॅनिंग कोड जो लॉ आयलो तेन्नाच्यान सेक्शन 44 आशिल्लें, सेक्शन 44च्या माध्यमांतल्यान कन्वर्ट करताले रिजनल प्लॅन आसतना. स्पीकर सर, आयज हे सगळे गोश्टी आमी जेन्ना चर्चा करता, आयज आमी ह्या तरेन आमी चर्चा करता की एक परसेप्शन वेगळो जाता. अशें ना की आमी मुख्यमंत्री कडेन चर्चा करता, हांव करता चर्चा, नाल्यार आमी एजी कडेन चर्चा करता, नाल्यार खंय लिगल आमी कितें एडवायस आमी घेता. पूण त्याच बरोबर केन्ना केन्ना हांव एक सांगूंक सोदता की मुख्यमंत्री जेन्नाचे मुख्यमंत्री ह्या टर्माक त्यांनी एक 2 कायदे हाडलेले आसा. आनी ते कायदे ह्या तरेचे हाडलेले आसा की पॅडी फील्ड अँड रायस तुमी कन्वर्ट करूच शकना, लो लायंग एरिया तुमी करूच शकना. ह्यो गोश्टी लो लायंग एरियाचे पयलो कायदो आशिल्लो, ते परत एकदा रिएनफोर्स म्हाका दिसता मुख्यमंत्रीन केल्लो आसा. आनी हे जेन्ना रायस करूं शकना, पॅडी करूं शकना, कोणी सांगलें की टेनंटेड लँड, टेनंटेड तो रेव्हेन्यू मॅटर, तो टावन प्लॅनिंगाक लागना. आयज सगळे कडेन आमकां पळोवचो पडटा. आयज हे तरेचे गोश्टी आयज ऑलरेडी स्पीकर सर 70% ऑफ गोवाज लँड मास इज ऑलरेडी फॉरेस्ट. Either it is private forest or it is protected area or whatever it is. And for the first time we have gone in the line with the Union Ministry. I've been informed the Government of India also is that this way we are trying to conserve as far as the mangroves are concerned. I mentioned that. So as a result, when the perception is there, I'm going to clear some few things on the perception aspect of it, is that when there is 0.2% of the regional plan, what is that 0.2%? The villagers in, Honorable Speaker is sitting, there was somebody who suggested there was some wrongdoing as far as certain areas were concerned in Kanpur. That has been restored back to what they wanted. That's not called approving. It has been reversed. And more than 4 lakh square meters has been reversed. So actually, technically, only 8 lakh square meters under 39 is being converted. Whatever comes in provisional, I can't prevent people from putting in provisional. Anybody can come in provisional. And I'm giving assurance to Mr. Nilesh Kabral. Let anybody 200, 300, 400, 500 square meters be put in. I am taking permission of the Chief Minister. The small man will be helped. Let him go and let him convert whatever he wants. And let me see who keeps it, who will keep it pending. For us, what is there? We have brought laws to help the people and help the community. Let any MLA then come and say, Rajesh Fadles as a board member, तू माझे कुशीकूच बसता. तुझे म्हाका कंप्लेन खंयची येवंक ना. ते आतां कंप्लेन खंयची आली सोदपाक लायलाय. आनी तुजे कडेन उलयनी ते डिसिजन एक्शन घे म्हणून सांगलें सोमतेच. आनी पयर कितें जालें की आमी दोगूय बसता चर्चा करता पूण कितें आहा ते तुका कितें कसले खंयचे इश्यू जर आसले ताबडतोब तेजेर एक्शन घेवपाक कांय हरकत ना. मॅडम दिलेल्यान उबो आयिल्ली म्हाजे कडेन एकदां सांगलें पूण ना घेतलें हांवें आतां म्हाका आयला. तर मेन म्हणजे कितें आहा की खंयचे इश्यू जर आसले स्पीकर सर तो इश्यू आमी अड्रेस करपाक तयार आहा. पण त्याच बरोबर स्पीकर सर guidelines that have been framed by the legislative assembly, those guidelines will stay. The guidelines are very clear. I want to make a statement here on the floor of the house that this department will work as per the legislative guidelines and that are there in the regulations. The regulations will be upheld. Whatever anyone may say, the legislative guidelines and the rules and whatever laws that we have passed in the legislature, we will go as per the legislative guidelines. I had made a mention today. It is very easy for us to go and blame somebody in the past. It is very easy to go and say somebody else did it. I am not taking any names and neither am I going to take any name of any individual or anybody of any kind of, anything that happened in the past. I am just talking about the present tense, what it is, what is the percentage, what is the fact. I have just mentioned that 70% of Goa's, we are reaching 70% after the final reports are passed as far as the forest cover of the state is concerned, Speaker sir. And as far as when I say that 0.2% means 0.2% only. And that is how the situation is today. And ultimately when we believe in a temple of justice, we believe in the legislature, we believe in the fourth estate, that is the media and the press. We believe that the judiciary is the final temple of justice. And in final, till the justice comes from the final temple of justice, I think that we should be a little patient before making any statement on that particular issue. As far as 17A is concerned, Speaker sir, जायते हांवें पळयलें, जायते हांव पळयता की बाबा ह्या तरेन गोश्ट्यो घडल्या. स्पीकर सर 1997 पयल्या फावट 17A section was brought in. After it was brought in with a limit of about 25%, beyond which gradient or hilly slope will not be allowed. And then later on, the offence also, the fee for the offence also was raised. The fine for the offence was raised from 1 lakh to 10 lakhs in 2018. Speaker sir, this law of 17A Actually, I was telling, I was going to discuss this. I mean, I wanted to actually make a mention on the floor of the House and table it, if any member wants to read it, is that section 17A, then later on after 1997, there were no proper guidelines that were laid. And then after that, again in 2010, again, there were a provision where you could go and hill cutting could be done beyond 25% gradient, Speaker Sir. And as a result of which, what is being discussed, what is being said, I only listen and I just keep quiet because there is no point in trying to debate unless there is a proper forum to debate. 25% gradient, beyond that it's never allowed. Most importantly, Speaker Sir, आम्ही मंगलम सारखे प्रोजेक्टाक आम्ही बंद केला, आतापर्यंत आम्ही परमिशन त्यांना दिवंक ना. Basically, later on, we went for more clarity as for guidelines that only in 25.
प्लेस कोता मातशें मंत्री कडेन 20 ओ दोंगर
म्हाका उलोवन दी Speaker Sir, हांव तेका
कांकरामुडी जे तूं
आनी
सांगितलें
LOP.
25 इतले थिंगा जाता
आनी
डेव्हलपमेंट
एलोबी मदीं मदीं कित्याक उठटा सगळें दी न्ही मागीर
उले ओगो
न्ही, मागीर दी न्ही तूं सगळें
आंता यू आर सेइंग दिस इज
I saw, I'm coming.
परत आता ते गेले
I'll let me finish what I want to say, then I'll come.
हॅलो मान्य एलोपी
नेवर कम यू आर
आता ती पूण परत आता भाशण मंत्र्याची सभासद उठोवं नाका
ना हे मेन्शन
ना,
केलं
परत मंत्र्याचे भाशण सभासद उठोवं नाका
दोंगर वचय
Speaker Sir, most important Speaker Sir, की हे 25% gradient ज्या हेच्या फुडें तुम्ही वचून तुम्ही दोंगर कापू शकना. 17A, which was brought in 1997, then 2010, I think Vijay will know the law which is there. And yeah, from 1 lakh to 10 lakh. But that's Burber Speaker Sir, coming to the final guidelines is in stages, how, you know, when you cut the hill, how in stages it has to be done and what is the manner in which you have to do. And that has been done. Once Wenji sent me a WhatsApp of the road, of that road which was that, when the road kurta mantalo pay the road, the CRZ and road kurta manun. We filed a FIR against the owner. We filed a FIR, Varka. We immediately filed a FIR against the owner. At Town Planning Department, whatever is within the rules, we have already done each and every aspect what needs to be done. Speaker Sir, and hill cutting and destructions of hills of Goa, आता जाय ते लोक प्लॉटिंग करता, ते प्लॉटिंग इल्लीगल प्लॉटिंग करता, तेजेर आमी एक्शन घेतल्या. आमी जे इल्लीगल प्लॉटिंग करता, आमी तेंचेर ऑलरेडी आमी तेंचेर FIR फायल्स केल्ल्या. एक FIR न्हू, केन्ना केन्ना आमी दोनदा आमी वचून FIR केल्या, फॉलोअप करता आमी कितें बाबा कितें एक्शन जाला, कितें करपाक जाय. आमी लोक पळयता आनी मागीर कितें करता की लोक मागीर शिरकता, केन्ना केन्ना कोणाक खबर नासता आनी हे वाचून मागीर ते वचून विकता लोकांक आनी लोक घरा बांदता आनी तांकां खबर ना की बाबा कितें घडलां तें. स्पीकर सर, टावन प्लॅनिंगाचें हांवें ऑलरेडी सांगलेलें आसा की जे विशय जे कितें आसा, जे गायडलायनचे अनुसार जे कितें आमी करता, गायडलायनचे अनुसार जे उल्लेख केल्लो आसा स्पीकर सर, की लेजिस्लेटेड गायडलायन्स जो आहा ते गायडलायनच्या आदाराचेर आमी फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. आनी गायडलायन्साचो वायलेशन जालें स्पीकर सर, वी बिलीव इन ज्युडिशरी, वी बिलीव इन द कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ. आमच्या सरकारान केन्ना अशें ठरूंक ना की बाबा कोर्टान कितें डिसिजन दिलें म्हणून आमी ऑर्डिनन्स हाडपाक गेले, काय आमी कांयच तशें करूंक ना. गरज पडल्यार इन पब्लीक इंट्रस्ट जर कितें करपाक जाय तर योग्य डिसिजन मुख्यमंत्री आनी कॅबिनेट घेतले की कितें बाबा योग्य कितें आहा, योग्य कितें ना ते योग्य तरेन आमकां फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. बाब संकल्प बामोणकरान ऑलरेडी सांगलेलें आसा की आपल्या डायलिसिसाचें ते टायमींग वाडोवन दिवपाचें तेजेर हांव करता. पूण त्याच बरोबर स्पीकर सर, आमी जर जाय ते गोश्टी फंडींग, बजेट आनी ह्या सगळ्या गोश्टीचेर जे कितें चर्चा केल्ले आसा, हे चर्चा आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटान ऑलरेडी आमी सगळ्या गोश्टी आमी नोट करून घेतलेले आसा. पूण स्पीकर सर, एक केन्ना केन्ना वायट दिसता की आमी जे चर्चा करता, आमी हावजान जे लेजिस्लेट करता, आमी हे लेजिस्लेट केल्या उपरांत अशें दिसून येता की बाबा आमी कितें केलें काय म्हणून. हे 17A म्हणजे हे कितें आमी वचून 30% कितें ग्रेडियंट केला, काय 40% ग्रेडियंट केला, काय 50% ग्रेडियंट केला, आमी करूंक ना. आमी कितें केलां की फक्त गायडलायन्स फ्रेम केल्ले आसा, बाबा ह्या तरेन तुमी ही परमिशन घेतल्यार आनी ते परमिसिबल आसल्यार तुमी ह्याच तरेन ते गोश्टी आमी करूं शकता. आनी हांव म्हणून सांगलें की आयज पर्संटेज वायज जे दिले, आयज हे आंकडे जे दिल्या, ह्या गोंय राज्यान लोकांक कळपाक बी बाबा ह्या तरेन आमी करता, ह्या तरेन कामां जाल्लीं आसा आनी ह्या तरेनूच वयतली. प्रोविजनलान जे कोण येता हेजो अर्थ ना की प्रोविजनल फायनल जावं शकता. प्रोविजनल आयलो तो प्रोविजनलूच उरूं शकता. आयज स्क्रुटिनी कमिटी स्पीकर सर जे आसा, ते स्क्रुटिनी कमिटीच्या आदाराचेरूच मागीर ते फायनलाक वयता. आनी ते फायनलाक जर खंय कितें अडचण जर जाली, खंय सारकें ना, काय गायडलायनाच्या अनुसार ना, ते मागीर ते रद्द करचेच पडटले नाल्यार कोर्ट रद्द करतले आमी रद्द करपाचें सोडून दिया पूण खंय गायडलायन जर फिक्स गायडलायन्स आमी लेजिस्लेचरान जे कितें गायडलायन्स आमी आनी रेग्युलेशन्स आमी जे कितें एडॉप्ट केल्या स्पिकर सर त्या आदाराचेर आमी फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो हांव आनी चड वेळ घेना स्पिकर सर हांव एकूच विनंती करता ऑनरेबल लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशनाक की तुमी जे कुंकुलीचे तुमी 2-3 विशय जे सांगल्या आनी दुसरी गोष्ट स्पिकर सर एक म्हणजे टावन प्लॅनिंग डिपार्टमेंट इज नॉट द एंड एंड ऑल टावन प्लॅनिंग डिपार्टमेंट दिल्यार तुका तुजे म्युन्सिपालिटीचे एनओसी लागता आनी तुजे म्युन्सिपालिटीचे एनओसी कडेन गेल्यार तुवें ते थंय करचें पडटा म्हाका पयर आतां तुमी जे सांगता तुमचे एनओसी तुका खबर आहा हांव जे कितें उलयता ते एनओसी तुजी लागता मागीर आनी ते एनओसी प्लस तुवें ते आय फिनिश I just
One
finished.
second.
You get up
No,
after
you
5.
finished now, no,
No, I
just
didn't
finish.
finish. I didn't disturb you. I didn't. I heard
revoke
you.
it, you revoke it, it's a hill, it is TCP, it is.
I'm,
it was-
I'm just going to make, you want me to say something? So basically, what I'm trying to say, Speaker sir, is that many times he said that the file is pending with me. So I'm going to check whether where the file is.
CTP,
No, wherever the file. Then सांगला की तो file जो कितें आहा पयलीं तेणी म्हाका सांगलें की थंय देवासपण जाता म्हणून ते देवासपण आमी बी भियेतात देवासपणाक सांगलें म्हाका
ते बंद केल्ले मरे
नाही, जाणा.
ते दिसा बंद केल्ले आनी
बरोबर
आमकां
आहा.
आज चालू तो दोंगर हे दोड दोंगर आहा
Speaker sir.
आख्खो दोंगर कातोला थिंगा
स्पिकर सर हांव फाल्यां
राखणदारा वाट ती
दोन
आनी ते
गोश्टी
मागीर
आसा.
केल्या मागीर सगळें उरपाट जाता
एक मिनिट. ना ते जावपाचें ना म्हणून ते लक्ष घालचें पडटलें
कॅन्सील कर मातशें
स्पिकर सर आय एम नॉट जोकिंग आय एम फकाणां मारिना ऑनरेबल एलओपीचे आय एम वॉट आय एम सेईंग इज आमकां इवन जर ते पेंडींग दवरपाक जाय एज अ प्रोसिजर आमकां ते स्टॉप करून कितें करपाक जाय जाल्यार ते हांव सीटीपीक सांगता आनी तेजे ते दोनूय परमिशन जे कितें उल्लेख करता हांव ताका अश्युरन्स दिता की सीटीपी योग्य तरेचे
ते
डिसिजन
के बिल्डर ते मातशें चोय
म्हाका संबंध काय तो म्हणटा के बिल्डर म्हणून कोण हा तेका सुप्रीम कोर्टान व्हर हांव तेका सांगता हांव मुख्यमंत्री
Last time उलयला मरे आमी,
आनी सुप्रीम
challenge
कोर्टान
करता
धाडून
म्हणून सांगता.
चॅलेंज करता म्हाका प्रॉब्लेम कांयच ना
मातशें डायरेक्शन दी जस्ट टेल टू चॅलेंज हायकोर्ट ऑर्डर
हांव दिता सांगलें न्ही आनी पूण एक स्पिकर सर हांव ह्या हावजान सांगूंक सोदता की आमी जे कितें लेजिस्लेट करता ते लेजिस्लेशन जे आमी हाडटा आनी जे पास करता त्या गायडलायनच्या अनुसारूच आमकां काम करचें पडटलें ते गायडलायन आमी वायलेशन करून म्हणजे कितेंय आमी जर उल्लेख केलो कितेंय आमी सांगलें पूण ते गायडलायनान बसता तरच आमी करतले गायडलायनान वायलेशन जाल्यार स्पिकर सर आमीच न्हू पूण कोर्ट बी लक्ष दवरुना आनी म्हणूनच आमकां लक्षान आमी घेवन आमकां फुडें वचपाक जाय की बाबा आमकां कशें आमकां आमचे सगळे गोश्टी व्हरपाक जाय हांव चड आनी वेळ घेना स्पिकर सर 10 जाली 10-11 जाली काय कितें कोणाक खबर
मायना
ना. हांव
कॅफे
उलयला इतलो की तुवें
7
सुरवात खंय केली
lakh square meter land it is
Yeah.
private forest land that hill cutting is going on private forest land
तेणी म्हाका एक उल्लेख केल्लो की
मातशें
तेणी-
हिंदी मारे
तेणी म्हाका उल्लेख केलो की 7.5 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर कोण तरी प्रायव्हेट फॉरेस्ट हांव पीसीसीएफाक डायरेक्शन दितलो
आख्खे
असेंब्ली जाले
कातून
उपरांत ते पूर्ण टीम धाडून चॅक करपाक आनी कितें एक्शन घेवंक जाय ते एक्शन घेतले
मायना
या आय डू इट
आतां हांव दिल्ली
VIP रूम दवर थोडे वचपाचे आहा थोडे टायमार ते मागीर मातशे ते आतां न्यू IPS बी बांदता पळय इनॉग्रेशन करचे थोडे VIP रूम दवर म्हणला तेका
जे कोविडाच्या टायमार घेतिल्ले आनी मुखेलमंत्र्यांनी सांगितले कोण काम करपाक तयार नाशिल्लो तेन्ना ते लोक आयले तांकां करा मरे ते परमनंट
करता न्ही
हा लिस्ट दिता हा लिस्ट
ठीक सर पयलू म्हटल्यार एक उल्लेख मिनिस्टरान केलो तो म्हणजे RSC मंडूर थंय स्पिकर सर आमी डिमांड घातलो आतां गेल ती 3 वर्सां हांव सगळीच रिक्वेस्ट घालता मिनिस्टराक थंय लेबर रूम बांदलेलो आसा लेबर रूम आसा थंय डिलिव्हरी बीन सगळें करपाक मेळटा आमी वचोन दिनाक वचोन हांवें थंय पळयलें सगळें जालें पण अजून पर्यंत तो लेबर रूम चालू जाल्लो ना तो वेस्ट ऑफ टॅक्स पेयर्स मनी ते येवंक ना तशेंच आमी थोडे रिक्वेस्ट घातलेले एक्सरे मशीन आसचे बाकीचे इक्विपमेंट्स खुबशे घातलेले तेवूय जावंक ना तिसरें जें आसा तें म्हणजे थंय स्टाफ हें आसलें हॉस्टेलांतले सो ते स्टाफ जो हॉस्टेलांतले ते सामकी कंडिशन वायट जाल्ली आसा ती डेमोलिश करून परत बांदपाक जाय म्हणून सांगलेलें तेजें इन्स्पेक्शन जाल्लें ना कांयच जाल्लें ना आनी तें अजून पर्यंत कांय जावंक ना तिसरें GMCचो जो क्वॉर्टर्स आसा ते GMC क्वॉर्टर्स हे अजून पर्यंत कांयच तेजेर डिसिजन घेतलेलें ना सरकारान सो ते ते केन्ना मोडपाचे कितें करपाचें ते ऑलरेडी PWDच्यान तेजो हे येयल्लो, पण तो एक जालो विशय. दुसरो जो आतां विशय जो आसा खूब गरजेचो, आतां सारको आयकतालो मिनिस्टर कितें सांगतालो तो, तितून आमी म्हणटा की RP21 जो आसा तितून 0.2% कन्वर्जन केल्लें आसा म्हणटा. मागीर 16B 2.56% जो कन्वर्जन आसा ते जाल्ले आसा, ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 कोटीचो. 39A लँड यूज चेंज, आतां मिनिस्टर हांव नको खंयच्या आदाराचेर म्हणटा, मिनिस्टराचो डिपार्टमेंट जे आसा TCP ताका सांगिना काय खबर ना म्हाका, कित्याक त्या डिपार्टमेंटान रिप्लाय दिल्ली आसा की 71,56,833 हे स्क्वेअर मिटर्स एरिया जी आसा ती लँड यूज चेंजाक लागून प्रपोजल येयल्ले आसा. ते ओरिजिनल आसतले जावं ते प्रपोजल्स फायलींग आसा. आतां मिनिस्टराचो डिपार्टमेंट कॉर्डिनेशन सारकें करिना हें म्हाका मिनिस्टराक तेणेनूच एलिक्यून दिल्लें आसा ही रिप्लाय. ही अशी न्हू, पयरचे एलिक्यून आमकां रिप्लाय गावल्ली आसा. स्पीकर सर, फुडें आमी पळयता जे फायनल अप्रुवल आसा ते 12,78,384 स्क्वेअर मिटर आसा. हे फायनल अप्रुवल ऑलरेडी जाला. आतां जेन्ना मिनिस्टर उलयतालो, जो मान्य आमदार राजेश फळदेसाय उलयतालो, तेय मिनिस्टरान सांगलें की तूंय मेंबर आसा, तुका खबरूच ना काय म्हणून हें इतलें जालां म्हणून. सो
पॉयंट ऑफ ऑर्डर हांवें सांगूं ना खबर ना कितें जाल्यार म्हाका सांग म्हणून.
ताणें कंप्लेन केला म्हणून हांवें आयकतालो, ताणें कंप्लेन केला म्हणून सांगली, तूं म्हणून कंप्लेन.
सांग म्हाका.
सो हांव म्हाका एक विचारपाचें आसा, आतां लेजिस्लेटिव्ह गायडलायन्स हांव मुद्दम उल्लेख करता, लेजिस्लेटिव्ह गायडलायन्स हो विचार मिनिस्टरान केल्लो आसा. सो तितून स्पीकर सर, जेन्ना आमी म्हणटा हे लेजिस्लेटिव्ह गायडलायन्स, ह्या एक्टा अंडर 39A जो एमेंडमेंट हाडला त्याच्या अंडर जेन्ना लेजिस्लेटिव्ह गायडलायन्सानूच दिल्लें आसा की 25%च्या वयर ग्रेडियंट आसा तो इको सेन्सिटीव एरिया आसा, तेजें परमिशन दिवपाचें ना. हांवें हो टेबल केल्लें, जो शिरगांव जो प्रोजेक्ट येता, जो 39A अंडर तेंच्यांनी प्रपोजल म्हटल्यार अप्रुवल दिल्लें, तितून हे गायडलायन्स खंय बसनासले. जो लेजिस्लेटिव्ह गायडलायन्स म्हणटा पळय ते खंय गेले. कित्याक हांव परत नांव घेता, अशोक खडाली हो इंजिनियर, हेणें सांगलें सायड चेंजीस, आनी बाकीचे इंजिनियर करता कितें, TCP डिपार्टमेंट करता कितें. म्हाका विचारपाचें
विरेश
ना,
बाब,
म्हाका
तुम्ही कोणाची नावं घेऊ नका. सकाळी तुम्ही 2 नावं घेतलेली, हांवें एक्सपंज
स्पीकर
केल्या.
सर,
आता हेवूय मी नाव एक्सपंज करतलो, कोणाची नाव घेऊ नका.
स्पीकर सर,
तुम्ही
म्हाका एक
X,
सांग.
Y, Z कितें करा, उलया.
ना म्हाका एक सांग स्पीकर सर, आतां लेजिस्लेटिव्ह गायडलायन्स हे उच्चार केला म्हणून हांव सांगता. कित्याक अशें जाता की 39A हाडले आमी बरे खातीर हाडले म्हणटा, कोण म्हणटा आपणाचे 500 स्क्वेअर मिटराचो जागो लँड यूज चेंज करपा जाय. हांगा हजारांनी लाखांनी स्क्वेअर मिटर जागेर लँड यूज चेंज जाता. सो स्पीकर सर, अशे विचार करून बेश्टे आमकां दिशाभूल करचे न्हू, हांव प्लीज सांगता. कित्याक हें करून आयज दोंगर सगळे लँड यूज चेंज करपाक काडलेले आसा. दुसरें स्पीकर सर, 17A जो आसा तितून सेम आसा. 17A 25%ाचो वयलो ग्रेडियंट जो आसा तेजेर एक्शन घेवपाचें ना. आतां तेजेर स्पीकर सर, तितून 17A जो आसा तेजेर 25% वयर ग्रेडियंट आसा, ह्या हितून पासून सेम लागता. 17(2) म्हणून हाडलो, तितूनय हांगा सेम केलें तेंचें कन्वर्जन करपाक लागून. कोर्टान तेजेर स्टे हाडली, थंय काम चालूच उरतालें. मागीर स्पीकर सर, 988 लँड फिलिंग आनी हिल कटिंगाच्यो केसीस आसा. आतां ही लेजिस्लेटिव्ह गायडलायन्स जेन्ना म्हणटा त्या लेजिस्लेटिव्ह गायडलायन्सान ह्यो केसीस बसना. कित्याक हो रिप्लाय आमकां गावल्लो आसा की हांगा पेनाल्टी कांय ना, रिस्ट्रिक्शन काय केल्लें ना, एक्शन प्लॅन काय करूं ना. सो स्पीकर सर, आयज अशें जाल्लें आसा, एक बोर्ड आसा तो बोर्डार बसयता TCP बोर्डाचेर, आनी त्या बोर्डाचेर कितें अप्रुवल घेता ते पास जाता. सो स्पीकर सर, हितून क्लियर हांव हें टेबल करता परत एकदां. हांगा बोर्डाचो एक मेंबर आसा, तो नांव घेयना हांव, पूण मेंबर उदो हांवें नांव घेवन सांगलेलें की एक मेंबर आसा. हांव नको ताका मेंबर कित्याक घातला तो, कितें रिजन तो कांय ना. कित्याक थोडे जाण मेंबर एक तर डायरेक्टर आसतलो जो आनी कितें आसतलो अशें आसा. पूण हो मेंबर कित्याक आसा, कित्याक हेजो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंट्रस्ट. हांव हे सगळे दुसरे प्रोजेक्ट जे आहले, हे शिरगांव विलेजीचे प्रोजेक्ट आसा, हो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंट्रस्ट आसा, हो हांव टेबल करता. असले कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंट्रस्टाचे म्हटल्यार आपणाक स्वार्थी ते करता, ताका लागून हे 39A हाडला, हे हांव टेबल करता. म्हटल्यार जो मिनिस्टर आयज सांगता, आयज बरे भशेन ताणें सांगलें, बरें दिसलें म्हाका आयकोन, बरे भशेन सांगता म्हणून. आनी बरे भशेन आयकोंक जाय की आमी कित्याक सांगता. आयज गोंय सारकें काबार जाता.
विरेश बाब, सोपया बेगीन.
म्हाका इतलें कळपाक जाय, हे 39A जे हाडला हेजेर फुडलो विचार कितें आसा सरकाराचो, हो मिनिस्टरा कडल्यान आयकोपाक जाय की बाबा तांकां फुडें व्हरपाकूच जाय. आयज सगळे आमदार आसा, ह्या आमदारांनी सांगपाक जाय. लोक पळयता, लोक आयकता की आयज हे 39A हाडला, लोक नाल्यार फुडें भायर सरतले, गांवांनी भायर सरतले. कित्याक प्रत्येक गांवांनी हें चालू आसा.
प्लीज कन्क्लूड. माननीय मंत्री माननीय सदस्यान ज्यापैकी सांगल्या विषय ते कायद्याच्या चौकटीत बसता त्या प्रमाणे तुम्ही त्याचेर एक्शन घ्या. हांव आतां दिल्ले वळेरी क्रमांक 1, 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E आणि 1F आशिल्ल्यो मागण्यो क्रमांक 47, 48, 49, 51, 53, 54, 55, 58 आणि 68 आणि वयले कपात प्रस्ताव सभागृहाच्या मतदानाक घालता. जांकां ते मान्य आसा तांणी हय म्हणचें, जांकां मान्य ना तांणी ना म्हणचें. ना म्हणटल्याचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें, ना म्हणटल्याचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. कपात प्रस्ताव नामंजूर जाले. आतां वळेरी प्रमाणे आयच्या दिसाच्यो मागण्यो क्रमांक 47, 48, 49, 51, 53, 54, 55, 58 आणि 68 सभागृहाच्या मतदानाक घालता. जांकां त्यो मान्य आसा तांणी हय म्हणचें, जांकां मान्य ना तांणी ना म्हणचें. हय म्हणटल्याचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें, हय म्हणटल्याचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. मागण्यो क्रमांक 47, 48, 49, 51, 53, 54, 55, 58 आणि 68 मंजूर जाल्यो. सभागृहा मुखार आनीक कांय कामकाज नाशिल्ल्यान सभाघर ब्रेस्तार 12 मार्च 2026 सकाळी 11:30 वरांचेर स्थगीत करता.